Kita sedang menunggu Brother Bridge Mohan.
Good evening, Brother Bridgman.
Selamat sore, Brother Bridge Mohan.
So we have several kinds of questions
Hari
here.
ini ada
I'm gonna start
beberapa
right out with
pertanyaan.
a lot of
Saya
questions,
akan tanya langsung
including
karena
whatever comes in through the
pertanyaannya banyak.
Q&A. And just to let
Jadi,
everyone
ada
know,
pertanyaan
for the rest
sebelumnya
of the
dan ada
event, we have more
pertanyaan
questions
live.
than we have time for. So
Maka,
whatever we
brother dan
don't get
sister,
to, we'll
kami
save for
banyak sekali
September.
menerima
And I'd like to
pertanyaan-pertanyaan.
start with
Jadi kalau ada
questions
yang
around
nanti
the
belum
personal
dibahas,
brand.
tolong dipaklumi.
And
Ada
the first
pertanyaan
one,
dari Sister
Brother Bridgman, is
Donna.
how can I
Bagaimana
increase the level
saya
of my efforts
meningkatkan
I
level
feel I want to
upaya
take a
saya
leap forward,
supaya saya bisa
but
maju?
I am stuck and I
Saya
don't
merasa
have the
saya
strength to
mau
do it.
lompat
I
maju,
am
tapi
unable to
kenapa
take strength
saya
from Baba.
macet?
So how can a
Saya tidak
soul
mampu
take strength from
mendapatkan
Baba?
kekuatan dari Baba. Jadi bagaimana supaya saya bisa
Well,
dapat kekuatan dari Baba? Karena
this is
rasanya
a real
usaha
हिंदी
saya
में बोलना है ना
macet. Pertanyaan
ये एक
pertama.
विचित्र तरह की विडंबना है
Bridgman, speak in English this time.
Brother Bridge
English
Mohan
okay
bisa bicara bahasa Inggris. Karena
there
sebelum-sebelumnya
is a
Brother
real
Bridge Mohan bicara bahasa Hindi.
paradox that when you need Baba
Ada
you are
suatu
never able to
paradoks
connect with Baba.
kebalikan. Kalau kita butuh
In such
Baba,
situations
kita tidak bisa
what
terkoneksi
comes
dengan
in the way
Baba. Kalau ada
has to be
situasi
removed.
seperti itu, bagaimana
So
caranya?
everyone
Setiap
wants to have
jiwa
strongest, loveliest
pasti
connection with Baba.
ingin punya
Because
relasi yang
from
dekat,
Baba we
yang
get all
manis
the
dengan
powers
Baba karena kita
and
tahu
all
Baba
the
adalah sumber
virtues
kekuatan, sumber
to remove
kebajikan,
all
dan
obstacles.
Baba bisa
But
mengurangi
exactly when we
rintangan-rintangan
are going to
kita.
do it,
Tapi
we
ketika
don't get
kita mau
connected.
lakukan itu,
So
malah tidak ada
therefore,
koneksi
there are
dengan
several
Baba.
reasons,
Maka ada
several things
beberapa
which we
alasan, ada
can do
beberapa penyebab,
to
dan ada
make
beberapa
our
cara yang bisa
line
kita
clear
lakukan supaya
and
hubungan
so to
kita
say,
kepada
as is
Baba
said,
jernih.
clear,
Seperti
clean
ada
mind and clear intellect.
peribahasa,
So we have
pikiran
to clean it.
bersih dan
What
intelek
comes in
yang
the way
jernih. Kita
to
perlu
normally
membersihkan lain
is
kita,
our
hubungan kita atau
thoughts of
jalur
the
kita.
past of this life. We
Misalkan
start
apapun yang
thinking
ada di
of
masa
our
lalu dan kita
weaknesses and
kenang
thoughts of
itu,
the
atau
past
kita
and the
berpikir tentang
failures
kelemahan
and
kita, atau kita
disappointment.
berpikir tentang
Then you
kegagalan
will
kita,
know
maka
there is a huge
kita tahu
volume of waste
ada
thoughts
banyak
which
sekali
are not
pikiran
required,
sia-sia.
but they
Dan
creep in
pikiran sia-sia
because
itu
of
kadang-kadang
mind
muncul menyelinap,
becoming weak and
padahal kita
wandering.
tidak mau
Then you
itu
know
karena
somewhere or
pikiran
the other
kita
with someone
lemah.
or the other
Dan
we have
kita
negative thoughts.
tahu
So
nanti
these
kita punya
negative thoughts
pikiran
are very
negatif
destructive,
kepada orang
which
lain.
are
Pikiran
going
negatif
up and
itu
forward. It pulls
tidak
us down.
mengizinkan kita
Then you
terhubung
know that
kepada
there are
Baba, malah kita
present
terjebak di
situations.
dunia fisik
Sometimes
ini.
the body is sick,
Atau
sometimes there is some
misalkan
other thing
ada
on our health.
momen-momen sulit,
And
misalkan
finally,
badan
we
kita
have to see what
sakit atau
company we
keuangan
are
kita
keeping.
melemah, itu juga
Because instead of
akan
keeping Baba's company,
membuat kita
we
macet.
are having company of others
Maka
all through the day.
daripada berteman
And
dengan
then
Baba,
at
kita
the time
berteman
of
dengan
connecting with Baba,
jiwa-jiwa
we
lain.
suddenly
Sehingga
think that
ketika
we
kita
can connect
meditasi
with Baba
kepada Baba,
strongly
kita
and with
tidak bisa
Baba alone.
terkoneksi dengan
That is
kuat
not possible.
dan tidak
All these
mendapatkan
things
kekuatan
you
dari
have
Baba.
to, in the evening or
Maka
before going to bed, check what were
di
the
sore hari atau
obstacles
sebelum
which
kita
came in
tidur,
the way of
tolong kita
my
cek rintangan-rintangan
my
apa saja
journey to
yang
Baba,
menghambat
and those
perjalanan
have to be
kita
removed
terhubung
and
kepada Baba, yang harus
pay
kita
attention on that,
hapuskan.
and it will
Kalau
improve.
kita memberi perhatian pada itu, maka koneksi kita akan
So
membaik.
this is what spiritual effort is, no?
Maka inilah
Yes.
intisari dari
So
upaya
a follow-up
spiritual,
question from
mengecek
someone else.
diri.
How do we
Ada
feel
pertanyaan
close to
lain,
Baba's heart?
bagaimana kita bisa merasa dekat dengan hati Baba?
Well, Baba has said
Baba
we
telah
have to be
berkata,
truthful.
kita harus jadi
So this
jujur,
truthfulness
penuh
has to be
kebenaran.
taken in
Jadi,
the right spirit.
kejujuran
Sometimes
ini
we are
harus
having
benar.
wishes of being
Kadang-kadang
truthful,
kita
but we are
punya
not actually able to keep up to that. So therefore, we
kita punya
should have
harapan
a
jadi
true
jujur
heart
tapi tidak
and
bisa jadi jujur.
be
Maka
ourselves
hati
before
kita
Baba
harus jujur
without
di
any type of
hadapan Baba
scheming of the mind
tanpa
which Maya
ada
introduces.
kenakalan pikiran,
When you
harus
are in need of
memberitahu kepada
Baba,
Baba
we say,
secara
yes,
jujur.
Baba, I will do this, I will
Kadang-kadang
do
kita
that.
berkata pada
But
Baba, oh
only
ya Baba,
when
saya
the
akan
need is
lakukan
over,
ini, saya
that
akan lakukan
connection
itu.
and
Tapi
affection and love is
ketika
also
sudah
over.
sudah
But
mengatakan itu,
secondly,
tidak
Baba
terjadi.
watches the progress of
Lalu
every child.
Baba juga pasti
If
mengamati
we are
kemajuan
making
dari
progress,
anak-anaknya.
then
Kalau
we
kita
will be close to
melakukan
Baba
kemajuan, kita
naturally,
akan dekat
because
dengan
as a
Baba.
teacher, as a
Karena
parent,
sebagai
every
pengajar,
parent and
sebagai
teacher
orang tua,
wishes that the student
orang
or the
tua
child
pasti
should
akan
come up.
mengamati
So
kemajuan
as we
anaknya.
progress, then
Pengajar pasti akan dekat
also
dengan
we will
murid-muridnya
feel
yang
close to
pandai.
Baba.
Kalau kita
And
ada kepandaian,
finally,
ada
Bab
kemajuan, kita
Saman,
merasa
which
dekat
means
dengan Baba.
Baba is in
Lalu yang
angelic state
ketiga adalah
now.
bab
So
saman.
we have to be in
Baba kan
angelic state
ada
to
di
be close to
tahapan
Baba. If I
malaikat. Jadi
remain
kalau
in
kita
the
punya
bodily
tahapan
state
malaikat,
and
otomatis kita
want to be close
dekat
to
dengan
angelic
Baba.
being, then also there
Jadi
is distance.
kalau kita tidak ada tahapan malaikat, kita pasti
Okay.
merasa jauh dengan Baba.
Another question that just came in.
Pertanyaan ketiga yang baru datang, apakah Brother Bridge Mohon punya situasi di mana luka masa lalu datang ke benak kita dan mengganggu kita? Jadi bagaimana caranya kita melupakan atau
In my
menghapus
long
luka masa
journey,
lalu itu?
I had
Kata Brother
several
Bridge Mohon,
such
ya,
situations
di dalam
that
perjalanan
even
hidup
now
saya
Baba
ada
says in me that a
situasi-situasi
time is
banyak
going to come
yang luka, dan
when
Baba juga
even if
mengatakan
you
ada
sincerely and most
waktunya di
sincerely
mana
want to connect with
walaupun
Baba,
kita mau
but the
terkoneksi
situation will
dengan
be such
Baba,
that you will
tetapi
not be able to
kita
do
tidak
so.
mampu
So Baba says,
terkoneksi dengan
do the
Baba.
practice now.
Maka
So
Baba berkata,
similarly,
lakukan
there
latihan
are
ingat
happened
Baba
many
dari
serious
sekarang.
situations, and
Ada
we try to
situasi-situasi
connect
yang
with
berat
Baba in the
sehingga
subtle vision,
kita
but those
mencoba
situations
terkoneksi
pull us.
dengan Baba
It has
ke alam
happened many
halus atau
times
alam jiwa,
in
tapi kita
situations of
dikekang di
bodily ailment,
dunia
in
fisik ini.
situations of
Atau ada
certain things which
penyakit fisik,
called
ada
worries. But I
situasi
felt that those are
tugas-tugas yang
like
besar.
dark clouds
Maka
over
itu
the sun,
bagaikan
and they are
awan-awan
not
gelap yang
going to be
menghalangi
permanent.
cahaya
I always
matahari.
kept it in my
Tetapi
mind.
awan-awan gelap
Still, even
itu, brother
today,
dan sister,
I
tidak
cannot say
permanen,
I
maka
have put a full
bisa
stop
hilang.
to all the
Contohnya hari ini,
old
oh saya
situations,
mau
because sometimes
membobohkan tanda titik
people
pada
ask me to relate my
situasi-situasi
experience
itu.
or something. So I have to go
Orang-orang,
back in my
kalau brother
memories
dan
and do
sister
that. Then I
bertanya pada
feel
saya, berarti saya harus
it is
buka dong
history or
masa
it is
lalu.
past.
Padahal itu kan
And
masa
it is
lalu
said
sudah
that
berlalu.
the only
Jadi
lesson
dikatakan
we learn from
bahwa
history is that we
pelajaran
learn
di
no
masa
lesson from history.
lalu,
That is like
jadi
we enjoy
pelajaran hidup
sharing and all
ini
that, but
adalah
actually
kita
that
tidak
doesn't bring any
belajar
practical
dari masa
good.
lalu. Jadi
Okay, so
pelajaran dari masa
what
lalu
I'm
adalah
hearing
kita
from
tidak
you
belajar
is
dari masa
that
lalu.
we can't actually remove the
Berarti
memory.
kita
There's
tidak
no way
bisa
to
ya
cut the
menghapus
memory out of
memori,
it,
kita
to
tidak
remove it.
bisa cut
But we
memori
want
itu
to
dari
see it as a black
memori track
cloud
kita.
that has
Jadi
moved between me
lihat
and
itu
Baba, and
sebagai awan-awan
work to
gelap
move the cloud
yang
on
dia
and
bisa
not dwell
muncul
on it. Is
dan
that
bisa
the essence
hilang.
of what you're saying?
Jangan kita terjebak dengan itu.
Only thing
Apakah
to add
itu
is that
maksudnya?
we can
Satu hal yang saya mau
erase or
tambahkan
burn
adalah kita
memory,
bisa
certain memories
bakar
by
beberapa
intense yoga
memori
or remembrance.
dengan yoga
So that is
intens,
what
dengan
Baba
ingatan
wants us, that
intens.
all
Dan itulah
memories which
sebenarnya pelajaran
interfere,
dari Baba.
memories,
Apapun
there
memori
are
yang
many types
mengganggu,
of memories.
karena
Common
ada
memories
berbagai jenis
automatically
memori.
fade away, but very
Kalau
important and
memori-memori
serious
biasa
memories
biasanya
of both
memudar,
types, they will be
tetapi
sticking in our mind,
ada
and
memori yang
whenever
melekat
we
sekali,
want to
berakar
very
sekali
seriously
dalam diri
disconnect,
kita.
those memories will
Walaupun kita mau
interfere.
terhubung kepada
So
Baba,
best way is
memori itu
to
muncul
burn,
lagi.
in
Dan
some way,
memori-memori yang
those
seperti
memories
itu
by
perlu
intense
kita
yoga. And
bakar
that is
dengan
also
yoga
possible
yang
if you
intens. Dan
intentionally
itu
do it.
juga mungkin kalau
Okay,
kita
so we
serius
can
dengan yoga kita.
do that.
Berarti
We just have to
memori-memori yang
intentionally.
berakar
All right.
itu bisa
Here's
dihanguskan,
another
bisa
one
dibakar
here.
dengan yoga yang
Reminder.
serius. Jadi ada lagi pertanyaan di sini yang panjang. Bagaimana caranya selalu bahagia dan penuh cinta kasih di rumah tangga di mana keluarga kita tidak mendukung BK, tidak mendukung prinsip-prinsip Brahma Kumaris. Sejak saya datang ke Gen di tahun 2019, suami saya selalu mengganggu saya mengikuti prinsip kesucian Mariadas. Maka kehidupan saya menjadi depresi, tertekan, dan saya tidak bisa mengalami kasih kepada Baba. Saya juga jadi sensitif kepada orang lain.
This is a real situation,
Ini adalah situasi yang sering terjadi.
and it has been
Dan
the most difficult test
ini
of
adalah
certain
ujian
souls.
yang besar
Basically,
untuk
is life
jiwa-jiwa
of purity.
tertentu,
And
yaitu
right
tes
from the
kesucian, tes
start of
kesucian.
Baba Yagya,
Maka sejak
now of course it
awal
is less,
Yakya
but
Baba,
people
dan sekarang mungkin
thought,
kurang
the
kurang
worldly
parah
people,
dibandingkan yang
that
dulu ya.
it is not only impossible
Orang
but wrong
duniawi
to
biasanya
observe
mengganggu
purity
kita
the
dan
way
sulit sekali
Baba tells us.
untuk
So therefore, they
menjalankan
have a
kesucian
firm
yang
conviction
Baba
in their mind
ajarkan.
that this is a wrong way, this is not the way society goes about. So therefore, this has
Maka ada
been
banyak
the
sekali
test of the system. And Baba says,
perlawanan-perlawanan.
but
Baba
those
berkata,
children who have
anak-anak
really
demikian
realized Baba
yang
and
benar-benar
had
mengenali
real
Baba,
experiences of
yang
powerful
memiliki
love
pengalaman
and connection,
cinta
they
kasih yang
become
kuat,
stronger.
koneksi yang kuat,
The
mereka
more the
pasti
obstacles
kuat.
come in their way,
Semakin
they
banyak
become
rintangan
stronger.
mereka,
That
mereka
look,
malah
these
jadi
people,
kuat.
my husband and
Jadi
my other, they were my loved ones,
anak-anak
and
ini
I
adalah
thought
anak-anak yang
they are all taking
dikasihi
care of
sekali
my
dengan
interest.
Baba.
But here, when a test has come, I find them
Ketika
opposing me strongly. So we have to be in those
maka kita
situations,
harus,
but you can make your own personality
jika
so
kita
powerful
ada di
spiritually
situasi
that
seperti itu,
the
buatlah
sort of
kepribadian kita
attractiveness or
sangat
the
kuat.
desire to
Jadi,
get
jika
this certain
ada
impure
daya
things
tarik
from
untuk
you is
ketidaksucian,
lost.
jika ada
Just
godaan
as
itu tidak
when you
akan
see a
bertahan.
monk, say you see
Contohnya
a female
misalnya
monk,
ada
or
biksu,
you see
biksu perempuan,
in the India
atau
you see
di
statues of the
India
female deities.
ada
Nobody
patung
gets any bad
dewa-dewi.
intention or
Patung dewi
wrongful
misalnya ya.
sexual
Kalau ada
intention
patung
feeling
dewi,
from them.
secantik
They feel
apapun,
that these are
tapi
our
orang-orang
gods,
tidak ada pandangan birahi
out of bounds
kepada
for us,
patung
because
dewi
they
itu
get no attraction. But
karena
when they see a
saking
poster
kuatnya
of a
aura
normal
itu.
worldly
Tetapi
lady,
kalau
they
misalnya
get
kita lihat
attraction.
foto
So I have to
wanita
make
biasa,
my
pasti
personality
ada
so
pandangan
powerful and
birahi.
so strong
Maka
and so
seperti itu
pure
juga kita harus
that
seperti
anyone,
patung dewa-dewi yang
no one will
saking
get
kuatnya
such like
energi spiritual
attraction
kita,
from me.
orang-orang
That is
duniawi
one thing
tidak
I have to
bisa
work
ada
inside.
pandangan
But
yang
Baba
tertarik
says
pada
the
badan,
strongest
tidak ada
yoga
pandangan
and the
birahi.
most
Dan
intense
Baba
yoga is
berkata,
of those
yoga kita
who
harus
get such
intens.
obstacles.
Jadi
And that
yoga
yoga
kita intens
brings them
itulah
so
yang bisa
close to me, and
meringankan
they get so much power from me
rintangan-rintangan.
that
Kalau kita
anything may
dekat sekali
happen,
dengan
but
Baba,
I will
kita pasti
keep
akan
in
mengalami
that
kekuatan,
level of purity.
sehingga
Earlier
kesucian
time
kita
sisters
akan
were beaten,
terjaga.
badly beaten. They were put
Contohnya, kalau di
behind the doors
cerita-cerita
and all
dulu
those
ada
things,
yang
but they came
dipukul,
out powerful
ada
and
yang
warriors.
disiksa, ada yang dikurung, tapi mereka
Okay.
tetap siwa syakti yang
So
bisa keluar dari
what's
itu.
important in
Dan
this
mereka
is
juga
that I have to
sukses.
be persistent, right?
Maka
It
yang
sounds like the
terpenting
person
kita
who said
harus
this is
persisten, kita harus
losing
uh,
their
kita harus teguh
hope.
dengan
And you're saying that
teguh
actually
dengan
to remain
Baba
committed to their practice
agar kita
and
berkomitmen
transform
dengan
themselves so that
latihan
others see them
kita.
as that
Dan
spiritual being.
yoga kita harus
Yeah.
intens supaya
Purity should be
seperti patung dewa-dewi yang
nearer to me
orang
even
tidak
than
bisa
my life.
tertarik dengan itu
So that
secara
particular
seksual.
type of approach will make it very easy if you practice it.
Jika kita berlatih kesucian, maka metode-metode
I'm
kita
going
juga
to
akan bagus.
topic around
topik lain
mental states. We've gotten
tentang
these before. There's a lot of
tahapan
questions
mental.
about mental conditions.
Dulu
So
juga
we've got
ada pertanyaan
several
tentang
of these.
kondisi mental.
So one of them, it happens
Salah
to me
satunya,
that sometimes
ada
I get
kejadian di dalam
depressed
diri saya.
because of
Kadang-kadang
the
saya
big
merasa
blockage in
depresi
my mind.
karena saya
This
punya
makes me
hambatan
not
dalam
get up
pikiran,
Amrit
dan saya tidak bisa
because I
duduk
become
Amrit Vela
inactive.
karena
What should I
saya
do?
menjadi sangat malas dan
Ela já
sangat
liberou
mengantuk.
ela, o Juca? Hein?
Okay, sorry for that.
Well, actually, it is
Sebenarnya,
like knowing that I will get my cure from the supreme surgeon, but I am not
ini
able, or
seperti
I don't feel like,
kita
I don't
tahu
have
kalau
enough
kita akan sembuh karena
enthusiasm to go
Baba
to the
adalah
supreme doctor.
sang bedah,
So it
sang
is,
ahli bedah, sang
if
dokter,
we,
tapi kita
even if we
tidak
are unwilling,
antusias
the mind
pergi
is
ke dokter
disturbed,
itu.
or we feel that it will be just waste of time to
Kita
sit in
merasa
Amritwela.
Amrit
Baba
Vela
has
itu
said, no,
pekerjaan
this is
sia-sia,
the
tapi
trick of
Baba
Maya,
berkata,
to win
sebenarnya
away
pikiran-pikiran seperti ini
us,
adalah
ourselves,
tipu
from
muslihat
the supreme
Maya.
power. So therefore,
Malahan
Baba
kita
says,
akan tidak sembuh, padahal
even willingly,
dokternya
unwillingly,
sudah siap
you
untuk
start
mengobati
sitting
kita.
in Amritvela, just as some royal person
Sama
invites
seperti
a beggar,
misalnya
to the
ada
palace,
orang
and the
bangsawan
beggar
yang
says, I have
mengundang
no capacity, I
pengemis
don't feel
datang
like,
ke
I
kerajaan,
am
tapi
okay in my
pengemis
hut
itu
and all that.
berpikir,
But
"Oh,
if
saya
that
tidak
person
punya
really goes,
kapasitas, saya
then the
tidak
royal
semangat."
person will take
Padahal
care of
kalau
everything.
pengemis itu
So
datang ke
when
kerajaan,
we
dia
know
dapat
that
harta-harta
we will
banyak.
go with blank mind and just start sitting,
Jadi
Baba will fill us. So
duduk
if we
saja,
have
walaupun
that
pikirannya
importance of
kosong, duduk
Amritvela,
saja.
because
Baba
that
akan
is the
mengisi kita.
particular time
Karena Amrit Vela
Baba
adalah
has
waktu yang
kept
penting,
for
karena
all
di
the
waktu itulah
Brahmins
Baba akan
to be
menjaga
there, and then
para
Baba will take
Brahmana,
care of, like
dan Baba juga akan
going to a
eh,
service station of a car or to an overhauling station. Rest of the thing Baba will do. If for 3 days you
jika
try that,
3 hari
you will feel
kita
like that you
melakukan
will never
Amrit
reach
Vela,
Amritvela.
nanti seterusnya Amrit Vela kita akan lebih mudah.
Is this true?
Jadi
Even if I'm there and I'm sleepy and
bahkan jika kita duduk dengan ngantuk, misalkan kita
I'm not feeling
merasa
inspired, I can't feel
letih,
Baba's
tidak
presence, I'm just
terinspirasi,
looking at the wall. Do I
hanya
still stay there in
lihat
Amrit Vela?
titik cahaya gambar, apakah boleh seperti
Sister,
itu?
it is my personal experience.
Jadi ini adalah
I
pengalaman
used to be
pribadi
very
saya.
lazy in
Dulu
Amritvela.
saya sangat
I
malas
used to
Amritwela.
make certain
Dulu
reasons
saya
in myself
selalu
why
buat-buat
I should not
alasan
be sitting in
kenapa
Amritvela
saya harus
and
duduk Amritwela,
meditating or
bahkan
remembering Baba while
meditasi,
lying and so
ingat
on.
Baba
But then I found
selagi berbaring,
that
tetapi
this is a specific additional
saya
help by Baba.
merasa ini
Just
adalah
come to
bantuan
me
ekstra dari
and I
Baba.
will
Jadi saya
give
punya
you all the
kesadaran
powers
itu.
and all
Dan
the
Baba berkata,
awakening
saya
to
akan
not to
beri
miss
Anda
Amritvela.
kesadaran
To
untuk
start
tidak
with, I started
kelewatan
thinking,
Amritwela. Dan
let's
saya mulai
suppose there is a
berpikir,
big cobra under
misalnya
my bed
ada
and
kobra
will I
yang
sleep?
besar
So
di
I
ranjang
felt
saya,
that
apakah
this
saya akan
feeling of
tidur?
laziness
Kan
and
tidak,
carelessness
walaupun saya
is
ngantuk,
only
tapi ada ular di
superfluous or
kamar saya,
shallow.
pasti
And
saya akan
even
bangun.
if a
Kan walaupun
cobra, what
saya
you say,
ngantuk,
cobra, even
misalnya
a
ada
fly
kobra
can
di
disturb you
kamar kita,
at Amritvela, you will not
pasti kita
able to
akan
sleep.
bangun
So
walaupun
that
kita
way,
malas,
and the
walaupun kita
other way
ngantuk.
is that if
Jadi,
you are going to get millions and
jika
millions,
kita
and
misalnya
the
ada
lift is also
harta
down, and you have to
jutaan-jutaan
get those millions
di
on
di
12th floor,
waktu
you
itu,
will
misalnya,
walk up the
atau di
stairs
suatu
and not
bank,
wait for the lift to be
kita
repaired.
akan
So by such
datang
like
ke sana
reasoning with
walaupun itu
myself,
malam hari,
I
walaupun itu
started,
pagi
and now
buta.
I feel
Jadi
if
saya
I
merasakan seperti
don't,
ini,
I go to don't miss, go to
maka
Amritvela,
saya
I
tidak
miss a
pernah
lot.
kelewatan
So
Amritwela.
it can
Saya
be changed
merasa
by
kalau saya
practice. They
kelewatan
say
Amritwela,
practice
saya
makes
akan
a person
kehilangan
perfect.
banyak. Tentunya ini
Okay.
perlu latihan, karena
Alright, so
latihan
even if I'm not
akan
feeling
menciptakan
inspired, I go
kebiasaan.
anyway and I
Jadi
stay that
walaupun
way.
kita
Okay.
awalnya
All right,
agak
here's
malas,
another one on the
jadi
mental
rasakanlah,
states.
akan dapat
I have
harta.
an emotional and mental turmoil because
Ada
of
pertanyaan
family
lain,
relationships
karena
that date
relasi
back to
keluarga
early
yang
childhood,
toksik
and now
dan
at
masa lalu saya
61,
yang
I
kurang
often
baik,
focus on
dan
the
sekarang saya umur
influence of
61
others,
tahun, saya
though
merasakan
I
banyak
know
sekali
that I am
tekanan,
at least
luka,
partly
dan
responsible for my present condition.
saya
Sometimes
merasa
I feel
bahwa
as
saya
if the
bertanggung jawab
solution
atas
is
masa
unattainable.
saya yang sekarang
What
ini.
to do?
Tapi saya belum
What is
menemukan
the essence
solusi.
of this question?
So the essence of this question
Maka
is
maksud dari
that
pertanyaan
even
ini
though
adalah,
this person is in their 60s,
walaupun
their
orang
mind
ini umurnya
is
61 tahun, tetapi
rethinking
pikirannya selalu
childhood
mengenang
relationships, family
masa-masa
relationships
kanak-kanak
from when they
di
were
mana
very, very small,
keluarganya tidak
and that their
bagus.
mind focuses on
Jadi
what
pikirannya
others are doing
selalu
to them. And
terfokus
so even
pada
though he
itu,
or she knows
walaupun
they're
BK
partly
ini
responsible, they
tahu
don't
bahwa
seem to
dia
be able
bertanggung
to
jawab atas luka itu
make
karena
their
itu
mind
karmanya,
believe
tapi
those things alone. Is
pikiran-pikirannya
this just a
terus
question of mastery,
terganggu.
just practice and mastering the
Jadi,
mind and where it
apakah
goes?
ini ada hubungannya dengan
Let me
latihan
add a paragraph
pengendalian
here because
pikiran?
this may be connected with the same question.
Jadi
I
saya
have
akan
found that
tambahkan,
BK practice has been
saya
helpful to me to let me
menemukan
know
bahwa
other kinds
latihan
of
BK
treatment. My
membantu
question is,
saya
do I
banyak.
focus on what I am able to
Jadi,
do
apakah
and
saya harus
try
fokus
to let go
pada
of them or receive
apa
from
yang
others?
bisa
At
saya
times
lakukan
I
dan
am
tidak
at a
lagi
bit of a
fokus pada
loss
karma
or
yang datang?
overwhelmed. So any advice from a BK
Apakah
perspective is greatly
ada
appreciated. So it
nasihat
seems to
dari
be about
Brother
where
Bridge
do I
Mohan?
focus? I think
Kemana
that's the
fokus
essence of
saya
the question. Where do I
supaya
focus?
pikiran itu tidak lagi
Yes.
terganggu dengan kenangan-kenangan
You know,
masa lalu
when
yang buruk?
there is some fire, the fire brigade
Misalkan ada
goes to
kebakaran,
the city, the
lalu
fire
pasukan
engine.
pemadam
They,
kebakaran
they
pasti
are
akan
playing
datang
some
ke
sort of
daerah
going
itu.
horn, etc. That we are on an urgent mission and
Karena
all
itu
traffic is
misi
stopped.
yang urgen,
Similarly,
semua
supposing
lalu
the
lintasnya
president
di
of the
stop
country has to move by road, then all traffic is
dan
stopped.
semua lalu
Even
lintasnya
if
dihentikan
you
untuk menghentikan kebakaran
has
itu.
some essential job to do somewhere very
Kalau
urgent,
kita punya
then
tugas
one
yang
doesn't
urgen
bother and
juga,
care for what
pasti
is going
kita
on
tidak
around.
peduli dengan
So
yang
this
lain.
focus
Kita harus
is very
lakukan
important,
tugas
and
urgen.
Baba
Ini
says so
sebenarnya
much
berkaitan
that
dengan fokus.
focus
Fokus,
and
fokus,
focus on
fokus
me
itu
alone,
penting.
because I
Jadi
can
fokus kepada
be in
diri
all
kita.
relationships with you. I am almighty, so I can
Kita
give you the right
fokusnya
connection.
sekarang
So
ke
focus is
relasi
very
kita
important.
dengan Baba.
Even in shooting,
Karena
you
fokus
know,
itu penting, jadi kesampingkan yang
focus is
lain.
important. So
Misalkan
we
juga
have to
di
hit
suatu
the bullseye,
daerah kan
so to
ada,
say.
misalnya ada
And
kejadian
Brahma is also
penembakan.
compared with a
Jadi
bull.
semua polisi
Anyhow,
difokuskan
basic
ke
thing
sana,
is
tidak mikirin yang lain.
our
Fokus itu
symbol is
penting dalam
lotus.
kehidupan. Dan
Not to be
simbol kita
influenced
adalah
by
lotus.
anything
Lotus
outside,
artinya tidak
whether it is
terpengaruh oleh
from
lumpur-lumpur
the
di
nature or
sekitar
from
kita,
my
dari
nature or
unsur
from
alam
relatives
atau
or other,
dari sifat
and
orang lain,
the least
opini
thing
orang
of the
lain.
past.
Jadi
Because
jangan
what has
pikirkan
happened
orang
has
lain,
happened.
jangan
It
pikirkan
cannot
kenapa orang lain
come
melakukan
around,
itu ke
whether it
kita.
was
Jadi
right or
fokus
wrong,
saja
my
ke
responsibility or
diri kita.
others' contribution.
Kan kita ada
Doesn't
luka
matter.
sekarang yang
So Baba
mungkin
always
lukanya itu
says,
parah, fokusnya
use
ke
the
sana
full stop.
dan
Put a
perbaiki
full
relasi
stop to
dengan
the past.
Baba.
Not a dash,
Bubuhkan tanda
not a
titik
comma,
pada masa
but
lalu.
not a
Jangan
question
lagi,
mark.
maksudnya
No,
jangan
the
bertanya-tanya
capacity to put
kenapa
full
itu
stop to the past,
terjadi.
even to the yesterday's
Bukan
things,
titik
will
pada
help.
masa lalu.
And we
Masa
must have
lalu itu
focus,
juga
because
termasuk
out
yang
of focus,
kemarin.
you want to reach
Karena
peace
kita
and you
akan
will reach
fokus kalau
happiness
kita
if you are
membubuhkan
out of
titik.
focus.
Kalau kita membubuhkan tanda
Okay, but
titik
I
dan
would just say
fokus,
the things
kita
you're
akan
recommending
gampang
do require
pengendalian
some
diri.
spiritual strength,
Jadi
right?
ini
The
pasti
full
perlu
stop when
kekuatan
the mind is
spiritual kan?
racing and you
Misalnya
feel
banyak sekali ada pikiran
unpleasant,
sia-sia karena orang lain
to
mungkin
put a full stop
berbuat
does
buruk
require
pada
some
kita.
mastery or
Kalau
some
kita
strength.
bubuhkan
Yeah.
titik,
The,
itu bukannya
the
perlu
soul
kekuatan
already has the
spiritual.
strength. It is
Sebenarnya
only
sang
gets
jiwa
directed.
punya
We must
kekuatan
know
bubuhkan
that
titik.
spiritual
Hanya
strength
saja kita
has
mudah
not to come from
teralihkan.
anywhere. The
Maka
soul
kita
by
hanya
itself
perlu
is powerful
ingat
enough.
kembali
But when it
kekuatan
has
kita
got
dengan
bondages,
ingat
it has got
kita
strings,
jiwa.
it has got leanings,
Tapi kalau
and
kita
like that, then it
misalkan
gets diverted. So
ada
that strength has
keterikatan,
to be
kadang-kadang kita
removed from
teralihkan.
everywhere.
Maka
and
jangan
focus
lagi
on
terikat ke
my
yang lain,
Baba.
terpengaruh ke yang lain, hanya
Is this
fokus
what
ke
Baba means
Baba.
by Maya being powerful?
Apakah ini yang Baba maksudkan?
But
Oh,
really,
Maya itu
Maya
penuh
is
kekuatan.
only weaknesses.
Maya itu sebenarnya kan
The other word
kelemahan
for Maya
kita.
is not some entity or some
Jadi Maya
existence
itu
or
bukan
something.
sosok
It
roh
is our
atau
weaknesses.
iblis itu.
So,
Jadi
if you
Maya itu
remember
kelemahan
that
kita.
our weaknesses come
Kalau
in our
kita
way, and we are basically
tahu
powerful,
kelemahan
but
itu datang,
sometimes
sebenarnya kan kita
by
kuat.
our thoughts of
Tapi
the past, our
dengan
thoughts of the other,
pikiran-pikiran
just
yang
as
ingat lagi
in the
masa lalu,
schools,
ingat orang
they
lain,
have a lens, in the school
maka
they give an experiment, a lens and a paper,
di
and the children are asked to focus sun's rays on the
misalnya
lens, and the paper start burning. It is the
sama
same
seperti
type of
kita di
situation.
sekolah ada
Okay. All right, I have one more
eksperimen
question for you in this
lensa
category of
kaca pembesar.
spiritual
Kaca
solutions
pembesar
for mental
dan
states.
cahaya matahari itu
Um,
dipakai kaca pembesar
This
bisa bakar
is interesting.
kertas.
Someone
Itu
close to
semua
me
fokus.
is struggling
Ada pertanyaan lain.
psychologically
Ada
and seems
seseorang
to
yang
be
di
at
dekat saya,
risk
teman
for
saya,
making
dia
decisions
eh,
that could
punya
harm herself.
penyakit psikologis
I
yang
took
bisa
your
melukai
advice in
badannya
some
sendiri.
meetings and
Dan saya dapat
consulted
nasihat
BK,
dari
who is a
beberapa PK
psychologist,
yang
but
juga
the
ahli
answers he
psikologi,
gave me
tetapi
didn't
jawaban
feel
darinya
spiritual to me,
tidak
but actually
terasa spiritual.
frightened me.
Malahan
Aren't
itu nasihatnya
psychological
mengerikan.
conditions actually
Apakah
spiritual conditions?
penyakit
And
psikologi itu
shouldn't
sama
the
dengan penyakit
explanations
spiritual?
and solutions
Tidakkah
be
solusinya
offered in
juga
spiritual terms?
diberikan
For
dalam
example,
istilah-istilah
in terms
spiritual?
of sanskaras,
Contohnya
karmic accounts,
tentang
etc.
sanskara, tentang hutang karma, dan sebagainya.
Already is given in the question. If you go to any specialist,
Jika kita
because
datang
of
ke
that
ahli manapun,
specialization,
karena
that person will
keahlian
give
mereka,
solutions
maka
as
mereka
per the
akan memberikan
specialization.
solusi
If
yang
you have
sesuai
even
dengan
a mental
itu.
problem or
Kalau
anything,
kita
you
ada
go to a
masalah
doctor,
mental dan kita
he
datang
has
ke
his own
dokter, dia
specialization.
punya
He will say, please have
keahliannya
sleeping pills
sendiri.
when
Oh,
the
Anda
things
boleh
become acute,
pakai
you will
obat
get
tidur,
relief, and so on,
pakai
or
ini
play
obat ini
music
obat
and so
ini,
on.
atau
Therefore, basic thing is,
mainkan musik
I
sebelum
am
tidur dan
assured,
sebagainya.
all my
Hal yang
ailments and
sederhana
all my
sebenarnya
problems
saya
are
jiwa.
spiritual.
Semua
They are in the soul.
masalah-masalah
And the
itu kan ada
solutions
dalam
have
sang
also to
jiwa.
be
Pasti
spiritual.
spirit kan spiritual. Berarti
Psychology
sebenarnya
is a branch, a
psikologi
small
itu
branch
adalah
of
cabang-cabang
spirituality.
kecil
Just
dari
as psychiatry
spiritualitas.
is, or some
Sama
people say,
seperti
have sports, play music and all those things. Eat your night
ada orang
tastiest
yang
food to keep away from your other thoughts,
ada
so many
orang
things.
yang
But these are all
menyarankan
worldly and applied
psikologi
methods.
Anda
They
bisa
mostly
makan
are
coklat atau makan makanan ini supaya
given by
pikirannya
bodily
lebih
people
tenang.
to bodily people. They
Karena
think
itu kan keahliannya
themselves,
fisik,
others to be a
memberikan
body,
saran
and themselves
fisik.
also be a body. All those reliefs are
Jadi
also
pasti
short-lived.
kita diberikan
So
nasihat-nasihat
spiritual
yang
solutions,
fisik.
which
Solusi
means
spiritualnya
spiritual powers,
adalah kekuatan spiritual,
like willpower,
seperti
like
kekuatan
power to
tekad,
judge
kekuatan
at
untuk
proper time,
memilah
like
dalam
power
waktu yang tepat,
to become slow
kekuatan
when
untuk
your mind is going
menjadi
fast, and so many all spiritual
menjadi
powers
pelan saat
properly
pikiran cepat.
applied at proper occasion,
Maka
they can do
kekuatan
wonders.
spiritual yang
Sometimes I
diberikan di
feel
situasi yang tepat
I am so
bisa
tired,
cocok dan bisa
I have
menyembuhkan
no
penyakit
energy and all that.
jiwa.
And someone comes to me for some advice. I become very active and I start enjoying, and I forget that I have having that thought of laziness. So that is why Baba said,
Misalkan saya
basic
merasa
thing is,
lelah,
we
tetapi
have been
ada BK yang datang
absorbing,
kepada saya bertanya,
getting.
nasihat spiritual
You know,
saya menjadi semangat.
unless we
Maka
give up
saya
also,
ketika saya memberi suatu
that
pelayanan,
our
saya
whatever
jadi
we are
lupa
getting will
dengan
not be
masalah
put
saya.
into practice, will not come in our life, it will
Maka
give out. So
apapun
always,
yang kita
there should
terima
have to be
dari
an exit
Baba
for all
itu
entries. So here
perlu
we have been getting
diberikan,
jnana,
perlu
we have been
dibuat
getting yoga, so
pelayanan.
many
Karena kan kita
energies
dapat
inside, but we
gian,
are not
kita dapat
using them.
yoga, banyak
So that is
pencapaian,
the thing.
tapi kadang
We
kita tidak
do
pakai
not
di
have
dharna, di
experience of those
sewa,
things. So
sehingga
best
kita
thing is
tidak
power
mengalami
and okay.
kekayaan-kekayaan itu.
I start telling others
Itu perlu ada
that how to remove
sirkulasinya.
their anger.
kita
So my
dapat dari
anger
Gen
will go
Yoga,
away
kita
like that.
berikan dari Dharna dan Sewa. Jadi itu juga
Okay.
daur
You know,
ulang
I want to
energi
acknowledge that we have
supaya
many,
lebih
many,
segar
many
dan
more
ada
questions
pengalaman.
coming in. I'm
Ada
gonna move
banyak
on from
lagi
this first one
pertanyaan.
to another area. If we have time, I'll come back
Kalau
to them.
nanti
If we don't
ada
have time, we'll collect
waktu,
them for
nanti
September.
kita
So
akan
I
bahas
see
di
the
bulan
questions. I just
September.
want you to know that. Okay, I want to move to an area called ethical.
Jadi
moral
ada pertanyaan
decisions.
tentang etik
The
dan
first
keputusan
one
moral.
has to do with what's known as assisted suicide. It's also
Ada
known as
assisted suicide, artinya bunuh diri tetapi yang diizinkan di negara tertentu.
I think in Holland there's several places in the
Euthanasia
world
itu
where
namanya.
this is legal
Mungkin itu di
to do.
Belanda ya.
But,
Di Belanda
and
itu
so it's
diizinkan
increasingly viewed
dan
as an
itu
option
dipandang
for those who have
sebagai
terminal illness or are
perbuatan
in great
yang
pain.
benar untuk orang-orang yang
What
ada
Raja
penyakit
Yoga say
penyakit yang
about
parah.
assisted suicide or
Bagaimana
euthanasia?
pandangan Raja
Would it
Yogi
be
tentang
considered as an
ini?
acceptable
Apakah
alternative
bunuh
under
diri
any
secara
circumstances?
sadar, secara sukarela ini
The
boleh?
answer is no.
Jawabannya tidak.
The answer is no.
Jawabannya
A
tidak.
soul has its karmic account.
Jadi sang jiwa punya utang
And
karma,
that karmic
rekening
account
karma,
has to be settled.
dan itu perlu
Sometimes
dilunasi.
it
Kadang-kadang
looks like it is beyond my capacity
itu terlihat
to
utang
bear
karmanya
the
terlalu
pain or suffering
besar
of whatever
untuk kita
kind.
lunasi, misalnya
So
penyakit
at
badannya terlalu
that
parah.
point of time, a soul
Mungkin kita
sometimes
mengalami
thinks
situasi itu dan
that if
kita
I
berpikir,
leave this body,
oh kalau saya
then
tinggalkan
without body
badan
I will not
ini
be
kan
having
saya
any
jadinya
suffering.
bebas,
So
tidak
some
lagi
people
sakit.
think of
Itu
suicide by
pikiran kita.
themselves,
Oh,
and
saya akan bunuh
sometimes when they are
badan
in
ini supaya
helpless
saya
situation,
keluar.
then it
Atau
is
di
called mercy killing
situasi-situasi
or
putus asa,
assisted
misalnya ini
suicide.
waktu perang ya,
Baba in many
ada namanya
movies
mercy
has said,
killing. Ini
if
kita
there
bunuh,
is any
tapi
greatest
karena
sin
kita
on
belas
earth,
kasih.
that is
Jadi
suicide
karena belas
or assisted
kasihan.
suicide.
Kalau misalnya
At
ada
that
itu
time,
sebenarnya
the
salah,
soul
keliru.
is passing through a very, very
Pada
delicate,
waktu itu
difficult
kita
situation,
jiwa-jiwa
but the
melewati
solution is
hutang
not
karma
suicide.
dan
It is
kita
like,
berpikir, oh
a
solusinya bunuh
person
badan ini,
borrowing
bunuh diri.
lot of things from around the area and then disappearing one night that, okay, I have taken all the
Jadi
money, now
itu
I need not return. But it is not so.
Jadi
Because whatever
itu tidak
accounts,
benar.
unsettled accounts we
Kenapa?
carry
Karena
by
apapun utang
suicide,
karma
the soul does
kita,
not
kalau
die.
kita
It
bunuh
is only
badan kan
leave
utang
one body.
karmanya
So it
tetap.
will have
Kita
a
hanya
compounded
ganti
effect of
kostum.
suffering
Nanti kita
in
pakai
the
kostum
next
lain
body
lagi
or even
melunasi
in the
utang
womb.
yang
So
seperti
we should
itu.
be careful,
Mungkin kita
and
akan
when
menderita
we
di
are alive, if
kandungan,
we are
mungkin kita akan
in
menderita di
grief,
badan lain.
it is that time
Jadi
to
utang
have
karmanya tetap
connect
sama.
with Baba and more powers.
Yang perlu
So
kita
only we
lakukan
can, one
adalah
is advised
koneksilah
to
kepada
take this
Baba,
course or
sadar
think of
jiwa,
this course.
upaya
This
spiritual, supaya
even it
utang
is
karma
now
kita
legalized in
terlunasi.
some
Tidak lewat
countries or
badan
some
lain,
states. It
walaupun
means it
itu
was
legal
illegal
di
up till now. So we are trying
negara-negara
to
tertentu,
legalize certain
tapi
illegal things
kita
as a
jangan
compromise
pakai
in life.
itu.
That should be
Kadang-kadang
carefully
kita
considered,
mencoba
and
kompromi
the
dengan
answer is
utang
no.
karma kita,
I
padahal
thought that's what you
caranya
were gonna
itu
say.
keliru. Jadi saya sudah
All right,
menduga
a
jawaban
related
brother.
question, but different. What is
Ada
the
pertanyaan
spiritual
lain.
perspective
Apa
on
pandangan
donating
spiritual
organs after our
tentang
death?
mendonasikan
Now, in
organ
the US,
setelah
when you apply
kita
for a
meninggalkan
driver's
badan?
license,
Karena
you
di
tell people whether they
US
can take
ada
your organs in
izinnya.
case your
Apakah
children
boleh
wreck.
organ
And
itu
people are wondering,
didonasikan?
should I
Ada,
check that box or
jadi
not?
di
So what's the
KTP
spiritual
mereka
perspective
seperti
on
ada
it?
SIM
What
ya.
are some options?
Nanti kalau saya meninggalkan badan,
Well,
meninggal, itu organnya boleh didonasikan.
supposing we
Misalkan
adopt strict vegetarianism, and now I
kita
am a strict
punya
vegetarian
vegetarian yang
and
ketat, yang
enjoying all the
disiplin,
benefits that
dan kita
you
dapat
get
manfaat
as a vegetarian.
banyak sebagai orang yang
Now,
vegetarian.
your organs have also
Dan
become adapted to
organ
that.
ini
Will you like any of your
Apakah
organ
kita
to
mau
be used by a
organ
non-vegetarian?
kita dipakai oleh jiwa-jiwa yang tidak
No,
vegetarian?
because
Misalnya,
you are on a
ya,
even if we have
karena
got money to donate, and
kita tahu
somebody
walaupun
says
kita
we
punya
donate
uang untuk
money to
didonasikan, dan kita donasikan
immoral
uang
center
itu
after your
pada
death. Will you do that?
orang-orang yang
No, you
jahat
will say
misalkan.
it should go to a
Pastikan tidak
saintly
kan?
place,
Oh,
to a good
ini
place,
harus ke
because I
center
have lived a
ini.
life
Karena saya yakin
morality.
center itu pakai
Similarly,
uang tuh
my
dengan
bodily
benar.
organs.
Begitu dengan
Nobody will
organ
like your
kita.
bodily I am on
Jadi,
the path of purity, and
kita
I
ada
have
di
been
jalan
using all my
kesucian.
bodily
Kita
organs
gunakan
towards that
organ-organ
aim.
ini
My
untuk
eyes, my ears, my
kebaikan.
everything, my feet going to
Misalnya
center.
organ
And suddenly
ginjal
I
atau
think
organ
that I
jantung
can
atau
donate this to
kornea.
those people
Tapi
who are
kita
going to
sekarang
the wrong
donasikan,
my
kita
legs
tidak tahu
to
itu
the wrong
siapa,
side, my
tapi
eyes to
akhirnya itu
evil
dipakai
thinking.
untuk
So it is
kejahatan. Jadi organ itu dipakai
absolutely
untuk
not
makan-makan
advised,
daging
because
misalkan,
I
di
have
jiwa
my
itu
even my
misalkan.
body is pure. And
Maka
you know, in golden age,
walaupun
what
organ
is
itu
the
sudah
beauty is
suci,
that
unsur alamnya sudah
pure body.
suci, karena
Here
kan
in
di
this
zaman
world,
emas
Baba
kita
says
pakai
even
organ
birth,
fisik yang
impure
suci.
birth makes you impure for the whole
Bahkan
of your life. Your soul
di
may
sini pun
become
Baba berkata,
extremely pure,
kalau
still your
badan
body
Anda
is not
lahir karena
worshipping.
birahi
So when
itu
I am
pun
making my
sudah tidak
body
suci
so
sepanjang hidup
worshipworthy and
Anda.
so holy,
Jadi
how
walaupun
can I
kita
donate
sudah
it
berusaha
to unholy people?
menjadikannya sangat suci, gimana
I have to ask
caranya
the follow-up
kita
question.
donasikan
Okay,
itu ke
you're
orang yang
using the
nanti
example
ada
of
peluang besar berbuat salah,
giving
sama
money to
seperti
someone who's
donasikan
bad,
uang.
right? And that way our karmas get
Jadi kita
complicated.
kasih
So let's
uang,
say that I'm
tapi
in a
uang
car
itu dipakai
accident
untuk
and
kejahatan.
they need
Misalnya
a
saya
heart for someone.
kecelakaan mobil
Now,
dan
if my
mereka
heart
butuh
went into
jantung
that
untuk
person,
seseorang.
me
Kalau
being
jantung
regular
saya
person,
da,
are you saying that I would have some kind of
diadopsi
karmic
oleh
account with that
orang
person,
yang
even though the
nantinya
soul
tidak
hasn't died?
vegetarian, jadi apakah
It's
saya
not a
dapat
question of karmic account.
rekening
It is a
karmanya
question of
walaupun
my
saya udah
precious
ninggalkan badan?
possessions,
Ini bukan
which
hanya
I am
tentang
otherwise
rekening
also living.
karma, tetapi
I
ini
am
juga
living my
tentang
body. But
warisan. Seperti kan
with my own
warisan.
sweet will, what will I like? Will I like my
Saya
precious
ingin
possessions to be put? So
mewarisi
that is the question.
harta-harta itu
Because
kemana.
many
Kita
of
kan
the
pasti
people I have
perhitungan.
seen myself,
Karena
I was at a railway station at some time, and a
misalnya
person
saya ke
in air-conditioned
stasiun
class
kereta
had
api.
left the body,
Kalau
and they
ada
dragged his body,
orang
and they were
yang
dragging him
dia
from the
di
platform,
kelas 1
ordinary people, and I wished
meninggalkan
that at
badan
least this should not happen to me. When everybody
dan
wants to be like that. Same is the thing, you know,
dan dia yang mendapatkan adalah
allowing
jiwa
your
yang
bodily organs to
dapat
be misused.
adalah
Meaning,
kelas 3 kan pasti tidak
you
rela.
you have
Tidak
left the
rela
body,
kita.
but through
Sama
your subtle
seperti
body you
kita.
are watching what is happening to your body.
Misalnya
So
kita
you will
punya
not like
tiket
certain
kelas
wrong things
1
happening to your
yang
body.
kita sudah
So that is
berjuang
the thing.
susah payah dapat tiket kelas
My
1.
precious
Tapi
possessions.
itu
All right, one more
diberikan
in this
begitu saja
category.
ke orang yang
These are
malas-malasan, yang tidak
ethical and
susah
moral
payah.
decisions.
Dia
When
dapat tiket
Brahmanes
kelas
are
1
making
kita. Jadi
wills,
pasti
how
kita akan
should
tidak
they
mau
think
karena
about leaving
tidak
property
sama
to their
kelayakannya.
families and to
Oke,
the yajna? So for example, their children may expect they
pertanyaan
would leave them
lain.
something. They want to leave things to the
Bagaimana
yajna. How
dengan
do they
BK
say
yang
personal
meninggalkan
decisions?
badan?
Is there any
Gimana dengan
guidance on this?
warisannya kepada anak-anak
Well,
lokiknya?
it depends upon the spiritual
Jadi ini
stage of the Brahmin.
tergantung tahapan
But I can give
spiritual
you one
BK itu.
example
Saya bisa berikan
that
satu
Dadi
contoh
Janki told me.
yang Dadi Janki
Dadi
berikan
said there
kepada
was a
saya.
brother in
Dadi
London
berkata, ada
doing a
brother
job,
di London
and
yang
he
dia
was sending
bekerja
money to his
dan dia
parents
mengirim uang
back
ke
home.
orang tuanya di
So
kampungnya.
he got a promotion,
Dan
and
brother ini
he
dapat
got
promosi,
higher salary.
kenaikan
Now
jabatan,
the parents
gajinya
came to
lebih
know
besar.
that
Lalu
now
orang
he has
tuanya
got
tahu,
more
oh,
money. So
anak
they
saya ini naik
asked
pangkat,
that
gajinya
brother
besar.
to
Jadi
give
dia
more
minta
money
kepada
to them
brother itu,
every month.
kirim kami
So he
uang
came to
setiap
Dadi
bulan lebih
Janki.
besar.
He
Lalu
said,
brother ini
Dadi,
datang ke
this is
Dadi.
the situation.
Dadi,
Same
ini
question.
situasi saya.
What
Ini
should I do?
situasi saya. Saya harus lakukan
So
apa,
Dadi
Dadi?
said,
Maka Dadi
decision is
berkata,
yours, but please see that their greed
lihat
and your attachment should not grow.
keterikatan Anda tidak boleh naik dan keserakahan mereka tidak boleh naik. Jadi
Simply because you have got more
karena
money to give
Anda kan
doesn't
sekarang punya
mean
banyak uang
that
untuk
you should share
diberi.
with the parents. After all, they
Tidak,
are lucky.
jadi
So
sebenarnya tidak
if
perlu
they
Anda
need,
kirim
it's
ke
okay.
orang
If
tua
it is
Anda.
greed,
Kalau
you
misalnya
stop.
mereka
And
itu
your
butuh,
attachment, after all, my
benar-benar butuh
parents are
boleh.
lucky
Tapi
parents, I
kalau
know.
mereka
I have
serakah jangan
certain
diberikan.
responsibilities for them. But
Pasti
it
kita
doesn't
punya
mean
tanggung
I
jawab
get
untuk orang
that
tua,
attachment
tapi
that
bukan
now I have more
berarti
money,
karena
so I
uang
should make
itu,
my
karena
parents more
pemberian kita,
comfortable
kita
or
jadi lebih
miserable.
terikat dengan mereka dan mereka lebih
These are
serakah
subtle
dengan
things,
uang
aren't
itu,
they? Some
bukan
of these
hanya
things.
kebutuhan.
Yeah.
Yes. Yes.
Jadi
So
perlu
every
kita
time
jaga.
we had questions about aging. We have
Lalu
one
ada
here.
pertanyaan tentang menua.
What level of support might
Level
our centers be
dukungan
expected
apa
to give
yang
those who are
center
aging
bisa berikan kepada
and
mereka-mereka
who
yang di
are
umur tua,
active on the field of service, but
yang
who don't
aktif
live
di
in the
pelayanan,
center?
tetapi yang
Now,
tidak tinggal di center.
the caveat in this is that
Jadi
sometimes centers have very few
kadang-kadang
resources. So
center
taking
itu
into
kan
account that some of
punya
the centers
sedikit
have few
sumber
resources,
daya,
but
punya
that these
sedikit
ones who
sumber
are
daya,
aging have
tetapi
been really
ada
valuable right hands.
BK-BK yang
What
dia
level
umur
of
tua
support
yang
should we give
sebenarnya
and might they
pelayan
expect?
yang bagus. Jadi pelayanan
You
seperti
see,
apa yang atau dukungan seperti apa
Baba
yang
had
bisa
made a rule
dilakukan.
for
Baba
those
punya
trusty
aturan
souls.
kepada
Trusty souls means those
jiwa-jiwa
souls
yang
who
wali.
live at their own
Wali
places,
itu artinya
but
mereka
doing
tinggal di
service at the
rumah,
centers as
tapi
much
yang
as
mereka
the
melakukan
surrendered souls.
pelayanan
So Baba had
sebanyak
said,
jiwa-jiwa di center yang tinggal di
keep
center.
1/4 of
Baba
your
berkata, berikan
earnings
1/4
future.
dari gaji Anda untuk masa depan
Clear
Anda.
guidance. Because
Ini kan
some were so
aturan yang
enthused,
jelas.
they said, I will give my
Karena
entire
ada
money
yang
to the
antusiasme,
Baba
saya
said, no,
berikan semuanya untuk
1/4
center. Jadi Baba
for your
berkata,
future,
1/4 itu
1/4
Anda harus
for
tabung untuk masa
emergencies,
depan.
and the
Satu
rest of the
4/4
half
lagi untuk
you can use
emergensi,
what is required for
setengahnya
yourself and you
jadi
can give to
gunakan
the
untuk
center.
diri
So
dan
every
berikan kepada
trusty
center.
BK or
Seperempat,
every
seperempat,
other
seperempat,
human being
seperempat.
also
Semuanya
cares for the
seperempat.
future, for the old
Kita
age.
semua
Normally
juga
also,
harus
if I am
mikirkan
in lucky
masa
life,
depan,
I will not spend everything for
tabungan.
the rainy
Misalnya,
day, I will save. So
kan
they are
nanti
normally
kalau ada
expected,
cuaca yang seperti
everyone
ini, kita
who is
bisa
a
pakai
trusty
tabungan
BK,
itu.
I am
Jadi,
doing godly
untuk
service,
BK-BK
okay.
di
I am
rumah,
helping the
Anda
center
boleh
with money,
pelayanan.
it's okay.
Anda boleh
But I
beri
must
uang ke
keep
center. Boleh,
something
tidak
my
apa-apa.
future.
Tapi
Not
perlu
that
ditabung
I
untuk
should
masa depan
expect
kita
suddenly
seperempatnya.
that I
Jangan
spend
kita
everything, I
berharap,
didn't save
oh saya
anything, and
pakai
now
semua
I
uang saya untuk
need
center,
support
dan
from the
sekarang
center.
ketika
Because the
saya sakit,
center
saya butuh
have
dukungan
no
dari
money of their
center.
own.
Karena
Center is a collection of money
center
from
itu
all those who went
adalah
for carrying out the service.
adalah
So center is
semua
not a
uang
bank in a sense for spending money.
BK-BK.
But still, all said and
Oleh
done,
karena
we
itu,
have to consider individual cases.
jadi kita
So
juga
what about
perlu tahu
bringing food to them? What if they're no longer able to
masalah-masalah
cook for
pribadi.
themselves, but they would appreciate having
Bagaimana
Brahma Bhojan? Or what
dengan
about
BK-BK yang
buying
ingin
food
Brahma
back to them
Bhojan yang
because they
dia
can't
tidak
drive any longer?
bisa makan sendiri,
Well,
masak sendiri,
if
yang
they
butuh
have,
Brahma
it depends
Bhojan.
upon their past bank account,
Kalau
how much they
misalkan,
have collected their spiritual fortune, how much they have
jadi
helped others to
berapa
make their spiritual
banyak
fortune.
Anda
So
punya
in very
pelayanan
deserving
spiritual,
cases,
membantu
we have to do
jiwa-jiwa
that,
lain.
and we do it here also
Center
in
boleh
Bharat,
membantu
but we
mereka
have
di
to
barat,
see
juga gitu, di India
basically
juga
is
seperti
account,
itu.
a karmic account of
Tetapi
every soul
kita
and decide
harus cek
accordingly.
setiap rekening
There
jiwa-jiwa.
cannot be any hard and fast rule because
Jadi
normally I am supposed to fend for myself. Even if I am
tanggung
careless
jawab
about
kita
my
sebenarnya
certain
diri kita
habits, and I
sendiri.
often fall sick, and I have to
Kalau misalnya kita sakit
spend time and
atau
money
kita
on my
harus
medical care,
menghabiskan
I am
uang untuk
responsible
perawatan
because
medis,
I am
kita
supposed
itu
to keep
bertanggung
fit
jawab sendiri.
like in the army.
Sama seperti
Soldiers have
di
to keep fit. It's a spiritual
militer.
army. So we have to
Semuanya harus
keep
sehat
more fit
masing-masing.
from other things.
Semuanya punya tanggung
Nothing
jawab
should
untuk
be
menjaga
wasted. In
kesehatan
a sense,
masing-masing.
required to be
Oleh karena itu
consumed
dia harus
as far as
fit, dia
possible.
harus olahraga
That is why
sendiri-sendiri.
Baba
Seperti kita
uses a word
BK-BK
called
juga,
economy.
kita punya tanggung jawab
When
masing-masing.
Baba says
Harus hemat
other
masing-masing,
things,
hemat
Baba
jaga
says to
badan
calm only.
masing-masing.
Not
Oleh
only
karena itu,
economy
Baba
of what is
berkata
economy of
ekonomis,
thoughts,
bukan hanya
but also
ekonomis pikiran,
economy of the
kata-kata,
financial
tetapi
side.
ekonomis
Okay.
juga dalam
All right, I want to ask, I've
keuangan
got two
kita.
questions here about vision, and I want to
Ada
ask them both
pertanyaan
together. They're from
tentang
different sources.
pandangan.
So the first one,
Pertanyaan yang
recently, my
pertama,
spouse and I
baru-baru
had a
ini suami
disagreement about
pasangan
something.
saya dan saya
I
itu
felt he was
berargumen ada
responding to me
ketidaksetujuan dan
as
saya
he might have
merasa
30 years
dia
ago when I wasn't even in Guyana.
merespon
What
saya
do we need to do when we
seolah-olah
feel
saya
someone
belum
is
di
not
Gen
seeing us
dan
with the
tidak
elevated
melihat
vision of
saya
who we have
dengan
become,
pandangan
but is looking
spiritual.
at a past
Dia melihat
version
saya
of
seperti
who
saya
we
dulu
are? So
sebelum
that's the
BK.
first question.
Itu
Second
pertanyaan
question,
pertama. Pertanyaan
also about
kedua,
vision.
ini juga tentang pandangan.
I have known a certain family
Saya
who has
tahu
been in
beberapa
Guyana for
keluarga
many
yang di
decades.
Gian
I have
berdekade-dekade,
repeatedly been
berpuluh-puluh tahun,
disappointed by
dan
things
saya
they have
berulang
said
kali
and done.
kecewa dengan
One
perilaku
member
mereka,
of that
kata-kata mereka.
family
Ada
is
satu
now
orang
in a
anggota keluarga
center
ini, dia
where
ada
I
di
run into
center
her often.
dan saya sering
I
ketemu
feel
dengannya.
that the entire
Saya merasa
family
bahwa
lives in the
keluarga
same way
ini
as
dia
I
pola
knew them
hidupnya
many
sama,
years ago. However, some who
seperti
know
bukan
the
BK.
sister say that she
Tetapi,
is not this way, that
tetapi
she is actually
orang-orang
a
lain
Pai-Brahmin. How do
berkata
I
bahwa oh
shift
dia ini
this
BK,
vision
dia tidak
I
seperti
have
itu.
of this family?
Bagaimana dengan
Right? So
pandangan
two
saya
versions.
kepada
One
keluarga
is how
ini?
do I shift the way someone sees
Jadi,
me, and then how do I
bagaimana
shift
saya
the way
mentransformasi
I see
pandangan
someone
orang
else?
pada saya dan bagaimana saya mentransformasi pandangan saya
Well,
kepada
there
orang
is a
lain.
saying
Ada pepatah yang
that
berkata,
justice should not only be done, but should appear also to have been done.
hal-hal
Similarly,
itu
if I am
pandangan
changed person
kita
from
bukan
30 years back,
bukan tentang
so I should
situasi
also
itu yang
appear
terjadi,
to be
tapi
a changed person.
pandangan
That
kita
my
harus seperti
personality, my behavior,
harus
my
seperti
conduct,
situasi itu yang
my
terbaik,
my
walaupun itu belum
physical
terjadi, tapi di
appearance,
masa
my
depan.
dress code,
Jadi,
my
ubah
dealings
pandangan
with others
kita.
should change.
Semua
Because if
sikap
it
kita harus
changes,
berubah,
I can
perilaku
you
kita
cannot.
berubah.
They
Kalau
say
kita
respect cannot
berubah,
be demanded;
maka
has to be
pasti
commanded. So I
akan
have
ada
to be in that
balasannya.
situation. So
Seperti
naturally,
pepatah berkata,
not anyone, your
respect
husband or
itu
anybody,
tidak
all
diminta,
people,
tetapi
you know,
respect itu
everybody here,
kita harus
we
layak
know somebody
dapatkannya.
that was very angry. Now he
Misalkan
has
ada
become
orang
calm.
yang
Even
dia
the driver
pemarah dan
says
sekarang
that
dia
our boss has
jadi
become so
kalem.
calm, isn't it? So I should
Oh,
look
bos
into
saya
myself
jadi
that
tenang.
I have changed.
Maka
If I have changed, have I
jika
changed
pandangan
only
kita
in
berubah,
thoughts, only in
itu yang paling penting.
theoretical beyond,
Apakah
or have I brought
kita
it
sudah
into
berubah
practice?
dalam
There is
pikiran
no reason when
atau
a
kita
person
sudah
changes,
berubah semuanya
the
dalam
others should
perbuatan
will
juga?
naturally acknowledge. Not everyone will acknowledge.
Tidak
One
semua
yourself
akan,
also you will acknowledge that I have, I was this and I have become this. So the soul has to work on themselves.
maka
The
kita harus
second
mengubah
question is,
pandangan kita.
we
Itu
have
intinya.
our own human judgment.
Kita semua
We
punya
feel
opini masing-masing.
certain things about a certain
Kita
family, all
merasa,
the members of the
oh,
family, and
keluarga
we
ini
still
seperti
have
ini
that
dan
opinion.
kita
But
masih punya
others are saying
opini
to me
pribadi itu.
that
Tapi
no,
ada orang
this or
berkata
that.
pada kita,
We need
tidak,
not
keluarga ini
bother for
baik.
judgments, my own judgment
Jadi,
or other
jangan
people's
pernah
judgment, because
kita
human judgment
pusing
power is
karena kenapa
imperfect. The
opininya
basic
beda.
law is, Baba says,
Baba berkata satu
whosoever,
aturan,
whatever one may be the same for 50 years even, doesn't matter. There are certain metals which melt at a very high temperature, others melt
kalau
easily.
misalkan ada sanskara
What
yang
is
tidak
has to be
berubah
my attitude is,
berpuluh-puluh tahun,
my
itu tidak
attitude
apa-apa.
is
Karena
only
seperti
to
logam, ada logam yang cepat
see
mencair,
good
ada logam
in
yang sulit
others,
mencair. Seperti
have
jiwa-jiwa
good
jenisnya
thoughts
juga
for
beda
others,
sanskaranya.
good
Yang
wishes
paling
for
penting,
everyone,
kita
that
harus
they
punya
should
resu
become
baik
better.
pada
So
semua,
that is should be my
melihat
attitude,
mereka
and how
jiwa
I can
yang
help them
suci.
to be
Jadi,
better. At
bagaimana
least I should
caranya
have
agar mereka
good
kembali
thoughts for
ke
everyone.
jiwa yang
That is the
suci itu?
solution.
Itu solusinya. Yang penting adalah pandangan
Okay.
kita.
All right, I think that's pretty clear.
Sepertinya itu sudah jelas
I have
solusinya.
questions about
Saya
culture,
punya
differences
pertanyaan
in
tentang
culture.
perbedaan
In different
budaya.
places in the Brown
Dalam
Road,
berbagai
things are sometimes
tempat
done
di
differently.
BK,
According
ada
to
aturan-aturan yang
culture,
dijalankan berbeda-beda
background, and the
sesuai dengan
sources
budaya,
as
latar
opposed
belakang,
to
dan
the
sumber daya.
disciplines we have been taught by Baba.
Kita punya Srimat
For
tapi
example,
dijalankannya
while in
berbeda.
Bharat, many
Contohnya di
BKs,
Barata, di
Mormons
India,
can
banyak
drink tea at
BK
a cafe that
tidak
is
minum
not
teh
the
di
same
kafe,
to Western BKs.
tapi tidak
So,
sama dengan
my
BK-BK
question
di
is,
Barat.
what
Di
to
Barat
do
maksudnya
when
negara Barat.
someone
Jadi,
wants to do something
bagaimana
that
jika
is
ada
not
seseorang
accurate
melakukan
according to our
sesuatu yang tidak
Maryadas,
akurat
but
dengan
a
Maryadas kita,
senior from
tetapi
another place
senior
has
di
given
tempat lain
permission?
itu
Should we say
dia
something
memberi
so the
izin.
soul is
Jadi,
aware,
apakah
or
kami
just
boleh
say nothing
mengingatkan
since
atau
they
kami harus
received
diam
permission?
saja atau harus dapat izin?
Well, Baba's Gyan is very flexible.
Jadi pengetahuan Baba ini
Baba
sangat
says
fleksibel.
some children adopted
Baba
100%,
berkata
others
beberapa
80%,
BK
some
mengadopsi
30%,
100%,
some
ada
even
yang 80,
5%.
ada yang
And
60, ada
we
yang
get the benefit
5%.
accordingly.
Dan akan dapat
Now,
manfaatnya
this taking
menyesuaikan itu
tea, coffee,
masing-masing.
etc. at the
Teh,
cafe.
kopi, dan lain-lain di
I
kafe
have my
misalkan.
own example.
Saya punya contoh.
Myself and Ramesh Bhai
Jadi saya sendiri dan
were
Brother
both chartered
Rames
accountants.
itu dua-duanya adalah
Ramesh Bhai
akuntan.
was doing his personal
Brother
practice as a
Rames,
chartered accountant.
dia
I
punya
was in a government
praktisnya
job as a
sendiri,
chartered accountant.
dan saya ada
Now,
di
during the
pemerintahan.
government job,
Akuntan kan
there
beda
used to be
akuntannya.
committee meetings
Dan
and
kalau
they
di
used to
pemerintahan
offer tea.
ada
And I
pertemuan
would take
komite
tea
dan
as
saya dapat teh.
very strong Brahma Kumar. So
Jadi
I had a
saya adalah
feeling
BK yang kuat
that
dan
the
saya
other
punya
members of the
perasaan,
committee were feeling
oh,
that why
tapi
this person
semua
is
komitenya
considering us
berpikir,
untouchables or what.
kenapa
So
nih
what is he
BK-BK
thinking
ini
of
seperti
himself?
tidak bisa
So to clear,
tidak
just
bisa
as now we are
didekati.
clearing, I wrote to Baba.
Jadi saya
Baba
tulis
was in
kepada
Bombay.
Brahma Baba
Baba,
dulu
this is the
waktu sakar
situation.
Brahma Baba.
So Baba
Baba,
gave
ini
me
situasinya.
permission in
Lalu
writing
Brahma Baba
that since you are
secara
in the
tertulis
job
memberi saya
at the
izin
meetings
karena
cafe,
kamu
you can
punya
have tea.
kerja di
By
pemerintahan,
chance, Ramesh
kamu
Bhai
boleh
was
minum
sitting
teh
near
itu.
Baba's side when
Lalu ada
Baba was
Brother
writing
Rames.
to me. So
Ada
Ramesh
Brother
Bhai
Rames
said,
kan,
Baba, I can
sama
also
akuntan.
take tea because
Berarti
he
saya
is
boleh dong
chartered
mau minum
accountant. He
teh.
also
Kan saya
being
juga
admitted. Baba said,
akuntan,
no,
sama seperti
you have
Brother
your
Bruce
own
Mohon.
business
Oh
and
tidak, kamu kan
nobody is
ada
compelling
urusanmu
you to
sendiri.
drink. So he
Tidak ada
cannot take tea, but
keharusan.
he can take tea.
Jadi
So this
kalau
was the
Brother Rames
situation.
tidak boleh, tapi
Now
Brother Bruce Mohon boleh.
similarly, permission
Sama
is
halnya,
given in
izin itu
even I may also tell you,
diberikan. Bahkan
even
saya
after
juga
Baba had
beritahu
given me
kepada,
written permission, I
walaupun saya
still never
diberikan
took tea in those
izin
meetings
tulisan,
because
tapi
I
saya
thought
tidak minum
that
teh
whatever
itu.
damage had to happen
Karena
has happened. They
saya
all have
berpikir,
started thinking me a different person.
ya lagi
Why
pula
should
saya
I
dipandang
now
berbeda.
compromise
Kenapa
and say up to
sekarang
now I
saya
was not taken,
mengizinkan
but I
diri
am
saya?
taking. They will ask me
Jadi
what
mereka akan tanya
who
nanti,
is your Baba and all that.
siapa Baba
Now
Anda
this is
dan
one thing.
sebagainya. Jadi itu
I
satu
also
hal
remember
tentang pengetahuan
I
Baba.
used to
Saya
travel
juga
a lot
ingat,
and
saya dulu
carry
sering
my
bepergian
tea
dan saya
in
bawa
my
teh
thermos.
sendiri di
I
termos
will
saya
have
sendiri.
hot water in thermos. It can remain for 18 hours or so.
Jadi di
And I
termos itu
used to
kan
have
itu
powdered
bertahan
milk or
18
milk
jam.
in the water
Dan saya
and
juga
two
ada
eggs.
susu
So I used to
di
make my
termos
fresh tea
dan saya
because
bikin
even if you
teh
get
saya
tea from
sendiri.
a machine, you do not know
Walaupun
when it was made.
ada mesin
And
teh
I
di sana,
remember
tapi saya tidak tahu
from
siapa yang buat.
Ahmedabad
Dan saya ingat
city,
dari
I had to travel to
kota
Delhi in a
Ahmedabad,
air
saya ke
conditioned
Delhi
compartment,
di
and we had two bus.
kompartemen AC,
On the second
ber-AC.
bus was a couple who were highly
Dan ada
educated and rich couple.
pasangan di
So
samping
at the
saya yang
railway station, they
dia sangat
ordered
kaya
tea
raya.
from outside,
Dan
and
setiap
they
ada
both started
percakapan,
feeling
mereka
bad that is it tea
mereka
or what is
minum
it
teh,
is a wash
tetapi
or
mereka
something. So
terus
after
punya
that, I
pikiran buruk
made my
dan
tea and I told
bercakap-cakap
them,
buruk,
I will
ini
give you
tehnya
tea. And
kotor atau
they were so
tidak,
happy.
dan
They
sebagainya.
said,
Lalu
oh,
saya menawarkan teh
hereafter
pada
we will
mereka.
also carry our tea in our
Oh,
thermos.
dan
What I
mereka
mean to
punya
say is,
pikiran, Gara-gara
depends.
brother ini
So,
kami punya
even if
keputusan
you
bawa teh sendiri.
deviate or whatever way you get permission,
Bawa
if
teh
you
dari rumah.
keep your
Jadi,
principles, you
walaupun
get
kita
plenty
dapat
of strength.
izin
And
dari
therefore,
sister-sister senior,
even Bharat
kalau prinsip
also,
kita
there
memang
may be
kuat,
some
kita
BKs
tetap
who are
akan prinsip
compromising. They
Mariadasnya
may
kuat.
follow the foreigner. They will say, "Oh,
Jadi
I went
ada
to
BK
USA. They took me
BK
to a cafe. I got a
yang dia
croissant. Well, they can
merusak
take. I can
Mariadasnya
also
sendiri
take."
karena dia
So,
lihat
as Baba
BK-BK
says,
dari
people
Amerika.
follow
Oh,
others'
BK-BK
example.
di
But
Amerika
it
ini
is not
sering minum
so.
teh di tempat
A
lain, saya
good
juga boleh.
principle is
Jadi,
extremely
tetap
helpful.
kalau
And
kita
I
punya
remember
prinsip yang kuat,
when I had
itu
joined
kita
my job, I
manfaatnya
didn't
lebih
know what
banyak.
is a worker strike.
Saya
So
juga
after
punya
some
pengalaman
years,
dulu
worker
ketika saya
strike took
bekerja,
place. It was a
ada
big
mogok
government
kerja.
corporation.
Jadi
They
mogok kerja,
decided
jadi semua
it was
pegawainya mogok
automatic
kerja.
machines. They decided to run the factory
Dan
with officers. And all officers were called
pemerintahnya
and
berkata,
were to be sent in a police van inside. And I
Anda
thought
nanti akan
I am a
dipenjarakan.
BK,
Dan saya
everything is
berpikir kan
okay,
saya
but I
BK.
have to take their
Saya
food.
berpikir
So I
semuanya
decided to
oke.
resign when my turn
Jadi
comes. So
saya
our chief of the
mengundurkan
corporation,
diri
when my turn came, he
ketika
put his
waktunya.
hand on
Dan
my head. He
ketika
said, "Let us keep
waktunya,
one accounts person outside because we have to get some money
eh,
from Bankside." So
bos
for
saya berkata,
18 days that
kami
strike
akan
took place,
simpan
I
ini
was the
satu
only
akuntan.
person who
Dan
was kept
ketika
outside.
ada
So
mogok
that is
kerja,
also there. Then
saya
Baba
adalah
was there
orang yang
and
ditaruh
had
di
good
pabrik di
thoughts.
luar.
Baba will fulfill
Dan
your
dengan
thoughts. And
prinsip ini,
You
Baba
are
banyak
such a
membantu
good
drama,
boy. I
banyak
see why
membantu.
Baba thought you were so pure.
Jadi
You're
saya
so
rasa
good.
itulah
Okay,
kenapa
one
Brother
more
Bridgman
question
salah
on
satu
this
anak
topic of
Baba yang
culture, and then
dekat.
we're going to move to
Karena
a different
prinsipnya kuat.
topic. We know
Jadi ada
that
topik
food
lagi
is
tentang
something very
budaya. Kita
important
tahu
while serving
makanan
people,
itu
but here's
sesuatu
the
yang
real
penting.
benefit for
Tetapi
low-kick
adakah
Western people.
manfaat
For
untuk
instance,
orang-orang
if we give them
we-
Thursday Pogue, as some places do,
low kick
would
yang
low-kick people
bukan
who
BK,
don't know
kalau
much about the
misalkan
BKs
kita beri
and are
mereka Brahma
mostly for
Bhojan,
Western
apakah
culture
orang-orang low kick,
receive
terutama yang
real benefit from
yang
this?
tinggal di negara barat itu
Well,
dapat
first
manfaat?
question is that why and under what conditions we are giving
Atas
the
kondisi
bhog
apa
or
kita
something
beri
to
bok
locusts?
atau Brahma
It
Bhojan
means
ke
there has
orang-orang
to be
yang
some
tidak BK?
relation, there has to some connection
Pasti ada
with
koneksi,
them.
pasti ada
That is why
relasi
we are
dengan
giving
mereka.
them food, that
Tidak
bhog.
berikan
So
serta-merta,
while
pasti ada
giving bhog,
alasannya.
we
Jadi
should
selagi memberi bok,
briefly explain to
kita
them
harus
the
jelaskan
significance
sedikit
of bhog,
kepada mereka
that
makna
it
dari
is
bok ini,
offered to God
pentingnya
and
bok
it has
ini,
got
bahwa ini adalah
power,
yang
godly
dipersembahkan
power,
kepada Tuhan,
and
yang ada
maybe I don't
kekuatan
know what happens in
spiritual.
churches, but it is sanctified
Jadi
food. It will purify
kalau
your mind.
misalnya di
We give with that understanding,
gereja-gereja
not
itu kan
straight away.
makanan yang
Secondly, you know,
disucikan itu
a
akan buat
medicine is a
pikiran kuat.
medicine. So Baba says,
Obat adalah
though
obat.
is a special
Jadi
food even for
Baba
the Brahmins,
berkata, buk
we
itu
are having our
adalah
normal food also in
makanan
Baba's
yang
remembrance,
spesial.
but
Kita
bhog has
punya
special significance.
makanan-makanan yang
It
kita
has
buat
been
setiap hari,
specially
tapi
offered to Baba,
buk itu
and
secara
it has
spesial
got God's
dipersembahkan
power
kepada Baba.
of
Ada
sanctity of food and
kekuatan
purity of food.
kesucian yang
So
kuat.
whether a person knows
Jadi
it or doesn't know it, just says
orang itu
something
tahu
is
atau
good,
tidak,
and you even put by
dan
force into the other person, it
kalau
will do
misalnya
good. So in that
kita
sense also, it
beri
will
mereka
do
makanan
definitely
itu
good, but it is
pasti
better
ada
to
manfaat,
tell the
tetapi
significance
jauh lebih
so
baik
that
kalau
they
kita
don't consider
jelaskan
it as
kepada
devils,
mereka
they
terlebih dahulu,
consider it as saints.
supaya mereka tidak pandang itu sebagai
Okay,
makanan
that makes
biasa,
sense.
tapi
All
ini
right,
makanan
this next
spesial,
category is
ada
called
maknanya.
unauthorized political activity.
Jadi
We've
ada
discussed
lagi
politics before
pertanyaan
too. I just
tentang
have one question.
aktivitas
So there's
politik.
a lot of
Politik
political unrest in a certain
banyak
country.
sekali ada
And every week there's a
kegelisahan politik,
gathering in
ada
the town
agresi
square to
politik,
support
kadang-kadang
and
ada
bring comfort to those most
kam
suffering this political
demo
unrest.
demo-demo
Sometimes
di
the gatherings are very
kota-kota.
large,
Ada
and often they
perkumpulan-perkumpulan besar
include people
di
from
taman-taman
various political
kota,
parties
dan itu
carrying their
digunakan
posters and
oleh
using the
orang-orang politik eh, orang-orang politik itu berceramah dan bawa poster-poster mereka supaya dipilih. Tapi dia menggunakan masalah-masalah sosial, membantu ini, membantu itu. Jadi PK kan tidak boleh terlibat dalam perkumpulan itu, walaupun kita punya niat menyebarkan kedamaian karena ada panduan dari regional koordinator untuk melakukan pelayanan pikiran mansa sewa dari rumah masing-masing saja.
Some of them
Tetapi
heard the
ada
guidelines delivered by the RC but disagree with them and
yang
have their
tidak
own
setuju dengan
interpretation of these
regional
weekly
koordinator
events and how to
yang
serve them.
mereka ikut dengan
So they're doing
perkumpulan-perkumpulan di
this
taman
without
kota
the
itu.
blessings of either the
Jadi mereka
RC or the
melawan
AC
petunjuk
or
dari
the
regional
coordination with the
koordinator
departments.
ini,
So they're
mereka
kind of
tetap datang
independent actors
ke
from their
perkumpulan
own,
itu yang ada
whatever their
tokoh-tokoh
intentions.
politiknya di sana.
So the
Walaupun
question
itu
is, what
niatnya
guidance
baik
do you have
untuk angkat
for the
masalah-masalah
AC and
sosial.
other BKs in this country?
Jadi apa nasihat brother kepada BK-BK di
Well, there is a
daerah-daerah
saying
tersebut?
that
Ada
there is a
pepatah,
time for everything.
ada waktu
It is
untuk
very
segalanya. Jadi
That we
ada
do
waktu
the
yang
right
tepat
thing,
untuk segalanya. Sangat
but at the
penting
right time.
melakukan perbuatan baik, tapi
Someone is a
penting
very good
lagi
singer,
melakukannya di
but
waktu
he
yang baik.
starts singing at midnight.
Contohnya, ada
The time is not
penyanyi yang sangat
appropriate.
bagus.
Similarly,
Suaranya merdu, tapi dia nyanyi
we have
ketika
got
orang-orang
all the
tidur,
good
dia
intentions.
pasti
We
akan
want to do Mansa
dicerca,
Seva.
dia akan
We
dicela,
want
dia akan
peace
dihujat.
for such
Seperti
life-suffering
kita
souls.
ingin
Everything
untuk
okay.
mendamaikan
Even
dunia, itu
we want
bagus
to
sekali.
give some
Niatnya
physical
bagus
help
sekali,
like
perbuatannya
medicines or
bagus
clothes,
sekali.
etc. Okay.
Misalnya kita
But
berbuat amal,
in such a
obat-obatan,
gathering,
makanan itu bagus.
where
Tetapi di
there is
perkumpulan
outside people
itu di mana
who
ada
mostly
orang-orang luar
they only talk and they
yang
discuss and they take sides,
mereka
but
hanya
they
bicara
don't do real
memihak
service.
yang
Our
akhirnya
precious
tidak ada
little
pelayanan
intention
yang
and
murni,
effort
maka
should be
niat kita yang
separated,
baik, amal
and we
kita
should not
itu
from our
akan
homes but from our
ternodai.
centers, and we can collect at our
Maka
centers
kita
and
bisa ada
do
di center
whatever we want
masing-masing,
in
di
our
rumah
own way.
masing-masing
Otherwise it will
dengan
be least
mansa
something
sewa
in a
yang tepat.
water
Karena supaya
basket,
tidak
and we
ada
have to take
energi
care
yang
that. So
bercampur
we should avoid that.
di perkumpulan-perkumpulan lain di taman kota yang seperti itu.
Many
Jadi
times in India
berbuat
also,
baik itu
many
boleh,
centers ask
tapi
us,
yang paling penting
because there is a
waktunya,
local pressure
waktunya yang tepat.
that these
Di
parties
di
or
India
whatever
juga,
locally are
karena
connected with us.
ada
We tell them,
tekanan-tekanan
we say
dari
that we
politik-politik
will
ke
refer it to
center.
our committee and
Jadi
headquarter committee, and they will decide. As they
kami
decide, we
akan
will do.
bawa itu
We
ke
just
komite
try to
kami
postpone it
akan
in this way.
putuskan
So
nanti. Jadi
similarly, it is
kita
best thing
diplomasi,
to
kita
avoid this wasteful
tidak
activity.
tidak memutuskan ke
Okay, so
mereka. Karena
you're
kan kadang-kadang
basically, I
ada
think, saying that
orang-orang
the
politik yang datang ke
independent
center.
actions
Dia
are
nekan-nekan
real
supaya
appropriate. It
center
needs to
memihak.
be they're a part
Jadi
of a movement or an
kita bisa
organization, and
diplomasi,
so
tidak
the
banyak
decisions of
terjerumus
the
kepada
organization,
itu.
they should abide by that. That's what you're saying, right?
Kita harus tetap
Supposing there's a
izin ke
procession
pusat,
of all type of people
karena
for
ada
peace, lot of
rangkaian-rangkaiannya.
parties and others join. We should avoid that.
Maka kita harus hindari
Okay.
memihak ke politik
All
itu.
right. Now, here's a question about our
Ada
centers. So
pertanyaan tentang
many
center.
students got
Banyak
used to
sekali murid
listening to
yang
the Murli
terbiasa
online
mendengarkan
during
Murli
the COVID
online
pandemic
selama masa
and
pandemi,
continue to
dan
listen to
mereka
Murli
terus
online
mendengarkan
even
Murli
when they
online,
can come to the
padahal
center.
mereka bisa
There are
datang ke
many
center.
centers sitting
Ada
empty
banyak sekali
and some are
center-center
being
yang
closed.
kosong, ada
With
juga
only few
center-center yang
students, the
ditutup,
amount of
hanya ada
contribution
sedikit
is
murid
not
dan
enough to
kontribusinya tidak
sustain
cukup
the
untuk
costs of the
memelihara
center.
biaya
What
center
is your
itu.
recommendation
Apa
in this case?
saran
Should
brother
the
untuk
center
kasus
be the
ini?
main
apakah center haruslah jadi pusat mendengarkan Murli dan online hanya untuk BK-BK yang selektif? Karena sesuai dengan Yakya, center adalah tempat menyampaikan Murli. Bagaimana Brother Bridge Mohan melihat peran center dan
how would you get people there if they've decided that they're
bagaimana
only going to come online? So
kita
the
menarik
question is, how do you
orang-orang
see the
untuk
role of the
datang
center
Murli supaya
nowadays
tidak
in the
online?
future?
Well, Baba says
Baba berkata
that
bahwa
it is not only listening to the Murli,
ini bukan hanya mendengarkan
it is
Murli, tetapi
coming together
ini
of the
adalah
Brahman family,
kita
which
menjalin
is more important.
menjalin
Listening to the
jalinan
Murli is one
keluarga
important part of it.
Brahmana, BK.
But
Mendengar
coming
Murli
together,
itu kan hanya
because
satu
what is
tujuan kita ke
our
center,
final
tapi tujuan lain adalah menjalin
attainment
relasi
is
keluarga BK.
our role in
Pencapaian
the drama
akhir
from
kita,
golden age
peran kita
onwards.
di
So
drama
there we
adalah
have to be physically
karena
connected.
kita
Our
harus
sanskars have to
mau
be
bagaimanapun
aligned
harus jalin
and
koneksi ke
good and
BK-BK.
pure. So all those things
Karena kita
cannot happen
punya
online.
relasi
How we will
dari zaman
have
emas ke
different
zaman perak,
sanskars
dan
coming together
relasi ini tidak
online,
bisa
and then
dicapai online
listening online, I have
sendiri-sendiri.
found that when
Mendengar
we are sitting
online
in a class
saat kita
room, we
mendengarkan
are
di ruang
properly
kelas,
sitting and we
kita
are
akan duduk
attentive to
dengan
the
tegap.
Murli only.
Kita
In
akan
online
seksama
Murli,
mendengarkan
I have
Murli.
found
Tapi
one is
kalau
drinking tea,
online
one is not
ada
even
yang
properly
minum teh,
dressed, and
ada
one has so
yang
many diversions.
pakaiannya
Only it is
bebas,
listened from
ada
one
banyak
ear, going out
teralihkan,
of the other
ada
ear.
yang
It is not
mendengarkannya
a right.
setengah-setengah,
So
jadi
it
tidak
requires
terserap
serious focus
murlinya.
and study.
Oleh karena itu,
So
supaya
that, and
kita
then
fokus belajar,
answer
kita
there is
bisa
questions and
datang
answers also,
murli
just as we
langsung
are
ke
doing
kelas.
now. Online, there can be no such
Kalau
questions and
online kan
answers
tidak
also.
ada tanya
It is a
jawab,
folly
tapi kalau
to
baca
think
murli
that
kan
online we can
kadang-kadang pembaca
get
murlinya bisa
more and
tanya jawab,
easily
lebih
without
interaksi,
spending any money,
interaktif.
without contributing to the center, without
Tentunya
mixing with
kalau
our
online kan
teachers. So
lebih
that is
mudah
very
ya,
important.
tidak perlu
If that were so,
jalin
Baba
relasi
would have
dengan keluarga.
given the Murli online from Paramdham. And those who are
Atau
doing it online, they will get
Baba
their
pun tidak
reward
memberikan
also
murli dari
online.
alam
Online,
jiwa.
they will go in the
Baba harus
golden age
datang
and
fisik
everything,
ke dunia
nothing real.
fisik ini,
So it has to be real. From real,
karena harus jadikan nyata
in the golden
semuanya.
age it was real. Then
Jadi
we got into adulteration, silver, copper, etc. And
kalau
in this
kita mau
iron age,
murni
we
zaman
from
emas,
real
kita
we
harus
became
murni
artificial.
usahanya.
No adulteration,
Fisik,
no mixture,
benar-benar
nothing of
nyata.
good. And from
Dan mau
artificial,
jalin
now
relasi
we have
dengan
gone to the
BK-BK.
virtual. So this is a virtual
Jadi
thing,
kadang-kadang kan
and this
kita
is
mau
not going to
virtual
help us. We
dan
will
tidak
not be
banyak
able
bantu
to
kita.
like angels, behave like angels,
Kita tidak
because
bisa
we do not
sepenuhnya
have that
ada
opportunity.
tahapan
So it
malaikat
is
karena
very,
tidak
very
banyak
important
kesempatan
that if
fisik
we want to be in the
secara
golden age
nyata.
at
Jadi
least,
kalau kita mau
we
zaman
not the
emas,
weekend,
zaman
the
emas itu kan
Brahmins,
fisik ya,
we
dia
have to
nyata.
listen online.
Kita harus
And
dengarkan
the centers should create
secara
such
langsung.
atmosphere that a
Dan di
person should
center,
feel
ciptakan
it is
atmosfer
worth
yang nyaman
coming to the center.
supaya orang-orang
Sometimes,
itu
even at the
merasa
center,
yakin
the
datang ke
center
center. Jadi untuk kita di
resident
center juga,
lives in the next room,
penghuni-penghuni
and when the
center,
Murli starts, come from the next room and sits in the class. Another person is
kalau
8 kilometers
BK-BK
away as a
yang
student
tinggal di
and
center kan
starts
tinggal
from
jalan untuk
8
dengarkan
kilometers
murli,
and come.
tetapi ada orang-orang
Whose
yang jauh
yoga
rumahnya
is
8 kilometer.
more in time.
Yoga
So the
yang
one
mana
who
yang
starts
lebih
from 8
intens?
kilometers, his yoga starts from
Apakah
there,
yang jarak
and it goes up
rumahnya
to
8
when he is
kilometer
back. And the one who is in the next
atau
room
yang
takes
tinggal
it
di
easy
center
and
yang
doesn't have that yoga.
cuma
So
beda ruangan.
similarly,
Jadi yoga yang
Baba
lebih
has
intens
made
yang
this system of
dia
class.
jauh
And in
datangnya.
exceptional cases only, it is something is better than nothing.
Hanya
In those cases
pengecualian.
only,
Ada
online Murli should be
kasus-kasus
done.
khusus
Otherwise, we are
untuk
deceiving
murli
ourselves,
online.
thinking that we are saving time, we are saving money,
Jadi
we
ini
are
hanya untuk
saving
kasus-kasus yang
ourselves from
khusus.
the inheritance
Kalau
also.
tidak ada
So
kasus-kasus
you mean
khusus,
in person
kita
learning
tetap
is
datang
what
murni
needs to be.
langsung.
Essential,
Jadi
essential.
ini penting
Because the
sekali
company partly, you're saying the
karena juga
vibrations of the
keluarga,
company are part of this, yeah?
karena perkumpulan itu
The
penting.
vibrations also mixing of sanskar,
Karena
asking
kita
questions
perlu
and answer, making
mengharmoniskan
our
sanskara.
progress and all those things.
Mengharmoniskan lansara
When you
itu
see so
bisa
many,
dilakukan
you
langsung.
size yourself that what is my positioning in this class, and then you start thinking this is only one center, what is my positioning in the whole of the country, and you further start thinking what will be
Jadi
my positioning in the whole of the world when I go to
apa
Satyuga. So all those
posisi
things
kita
will make you feel like a
di zaman emas
precious
itu
student
banyak
of
tergantung
godly gems.
relasi
Not, it
kita
is not
sekarang
an ordinary
antar
thing.
BK.
And we are
Dan itu
taking
kan
it
perlu ke
easy.
center,
So,
perlu ketemu.
Baba says very,
Lalu
very
Baba
intense
berkata,
effort is required. That will be lost.
usaha yang intens itu
Okay.
diperlukan.
And the centers themselves have a responsibility to
Dan
make the atmosphere
kita
powerful.
yang di center harus buat
The center,
atmosfer yang kuat, nyaman,
maybe
dan
that 20%
penuh
students
penuh
are coming to
pelajaran,
the center.
penuh
But those
dengan
20% should be
kekuatan.
such examples that others should feel when they
Jadi
meet that their stage is higher, they are reflecting light, they are being more loveful. We
sehingga
are not.
yang
Because
yang
anyone who
tadinya
visits
tidak
any
mau
of
ke
the
center,
Srimad of Baba
dia
will
semangat
feel a
datang ke
gap
center.
and feel left behind
Sehingga
in
yang
something.
tadinya
And collectively,
orang-orang
all
merasa
those
tertinggal,
gaps will lead
mereka
to
bisa
repentance.
merasa terangkat
Okay.
dan mau
I'm picking
belajar
up a
lagi.
few questions from the Q&A.
Ada
Give me one
beberapa
moment. We have,
pertanyaan,
44.
ada
Just a
44
reminder,
pertanyaan,
I'm not picking up questions
tetapi
from the
tidak
chat. So if you're putting
semuanya
questions in the
bisa
chat, I'm not going to see them there and we won't be able to
dibahas.
save them there. All right, so the first one, what if the
Pertanyaan
person
pertama,
surrenders his
pertanyaan
Tanman and
berikutnya,
Dan to the yajna, where will he turn for resources when he gets older? A BK instrument cannot
ada
determine the karmic accounts of a soul and
BK
deem what
instrumen
is
kan
necessary for
tidak
a
bisa
soul. That
melunasi
does
rekening
not seem right.
jiwa-jiwa
Do
lain.
you understand that question? I'm not sure I do.
I have already answered this question.
Tadi kan sudah dijawab
that
ini
everyone
tentang
has to
BK-BK
pray
yang
for themselves,
umurnya
for
tua
their
ya.
future,
Semuanya
and
harus
save
tabung
1/4. Who has
1/4
asked them to give
penghasilannya
all the
untuk
dhan to the yajna?
masa depan badan
To be
ini.
distributed.
Dan badan ini kan
Second
menua,
one, when someone
jadi
has
jangan semua
pain,
diberikan ke
you
center.
give pain medication to relieve
Kalau
the
ada
pain.
orang yang
In
luka,
the
kita
same
berikan
way,
obat.
when a person
Dengan
is
cara yang
dying
sama,
and is
kalau ada
uncomfortable when
orang
they're
yang
dying, giving
dia
them pain medication that would make
sekarat
their
dan
suffering less.
kita
How is
berikan
that
obat akan
different
buat
from
penyakit
giving
itu
pain
kurang.
medication? This question isn't worded right, but I think what they're asking is there a
Maksud
difference
pertanyaan
between
ini,
giving
adakah
pain
perbedaan
medication
antara
when someone's close to death for their pain
memberi
and giving them
obat
medication that would allow them to leave the body? Is there a
kepada
difference?
orang yang sekarat dan
It is not
kita
clear to me.
memberikan
Yeah,
obat
it's
supaya
confusing.
orang itu
I think what
meninggal?
they're saying
Maksudnya
is,
berikan
so
suntikan.
a person is in the
Kita kan
process of dying, they're near death.
misalnya ada orang yang sekarat.
If you just give them
Kalau
medication
kita
to reduce
berikan
their pain,
dia
does
obat
this
untuk mengurangi rasa
In
sakit,
other words, are they supposed to
apakah
experience
ada
the pain
karma?
as part of their settling of karma? Do you see what? I think that's the question. Remember, you answered the question about euthanasia or assisted
Dan
suicide.
kalau ada
saying,
berikan
"Oh, hey, you're settling your
suntikan
karmas."
supaya
this
orang itu
question
tidak
is,
sakit
okay,
lagi atau
what if I
meninggalkan
take pain
badan,
medication so I'm in less pain? Does that mean I'm not settling my karmas as much?
Actually,
gimana kalau saya
in this
kasih
world,
obat badan ini, kan badan ini
whatever
jadi
may
tidak
be
begitu
my
sakit, kan saya
stock
tidak
of karmic
melunasi
account,
karma. Ya itu logikanya.
anything I do to alleviate my suffering will also bring result.
Apapun
So
upaya
Baba doesn't
kita
say
untuk
that
mengurangi
you
rasa
don't take
sakit, itu
medication.
pasti
I
ada
myself
manfaatnya. Karena Baba
remember
sendiri
that once
berkata, bukan berarti
when
kita
Baba
tidak
was
minum
in
obat.
body, I decided I had some
Contohnya,
fever. I decided to
Waktu itu kan saya
only
demam.
meditate to remove that fever.
Dan saya
The
merasa, oh
next
saya
day, the
hanya
fever
akan
became more
meditasi.
intense.
Besoknya saya
And
lebih
I
demam
was
lagi,
shivering. I
demamnya
went to
lebih parah
Baba.
lagi.
I said, Baba,
Saya
you
gemetar,
say
terus saya
by
datang ke
your
Baba.
meditation that
Baba,
all
saya
those things
meditasi,
go, but
Baba.
I am shivering.
Tapi
Baba
kenapa
said,
demam saya
you are
parah?
Buddhu.
Baba berkata, Anda tuh
Baba
bodoh.
doesn't Baba take medicine?
Apakah Brahma
You have
Baba
to
tidak
take
minum
medicine
obat?
also,
Anda
because
juga
that
harus
is
minum
helpful.
obat.
That
Karena
act
obat
of
itu
yours
penting.
will also go towards
Karena
relieving you of your pain. So
Karena itu akan membantu Anda
this
mengurangi
meditation alone is not
penyakit. Jadi
enough, and
meditasi
whatever
sendiri
are
itu
available remedies, we
tidak
have to
cukup
adopt all
apapun
these.
obat yang benar
Okay.
itu bisa kita ambil.
So
And,
take
and,
us-
and the Brahmins are not supposed
Dan
to
kita
help
Brahmana,
individuals in getting relief when they are leaving the body. Baba says Brahmins have
apakah
to be
para
generally
Brahmana tidak
giving
boleh membantu orang yang
sakas to
sekarat?
all souls
Kita
and
harus
not to any
memberikan sakas
individual soul
kepada
unless there are
jiwa-jiwa
special
itu.
reasons for that.
Kita harus
Okay.
berikan
So giving
sakas
sakas
kepada
to all souls, not to
semua
particular souls.
jiwa, bukan
And
ke
take
jiwa-jiwa
medication, take your
tertentu
medicine. It doesn't change
saja,
your
tapi
karmic. You're
semua.
still settling your karmic accounts, right?
Tapi kalau kita misalnya minum obat, kan penyakit badannya berkurang. Apakah
We're
itu
facing
tangnya?
very serious financial problems.
Pertanyaan
We, the
lain.
Alokik family,
Kita
are almost
ada
out financial
masalah
resources.
keuangan.
And
Saya ada
even if
masalah
we are
keuangan
old
dengan
Brahmins
keluarga
and
saya.
surrendered to Baba,
Dan
I
walaupun
find
saya BK
myself
yang
so
tua yang
desperate and
surrender
sad,
kepada Baba, saya
even if
merasa
Baba tells me
putus
dare to
asa.
be happy and
Padahal
share her
Baba
words.
selalu berkata,
Baba tells me
anak-anak
to have
jadilah
faith, but we
bahagia,
don't
miliki
see a way
keyakinan.
out.
Tapi
We
saya
are
tidak
both
ketemu
coupled
jalan
with an
keluar.
old, aged,
Kami adalah
disabled son.
pasangan yang
What
tua
can
yang
we
punya
do?
anak yang cacat,
Well, we have
yang
come
lumpuh.
to
Apa
our
yang bisa
present
kami
position
lakukan?
because of our own choices
Kita
and actions.
semua ada di
And
posisi ini semua
we
karena
cannot
pilihan kita di
put
masa
the
lalu.
sort of the blame of our
Jangan
situation
sampai kita
on Baba or
menyalahkan
Yagya.
kepada
Baba
Baba
only
atau Yakya.
relieves us of
Baba
such
hanya
situations.
bantu
And
membebaskan
happiness
kita
has nothing to
dari
do
situasi
with
itu.
our physical
Dan
situation. Because
kebahagiaan
happiness is
itu
a state of the
tidak
mind.
tergantung
And
oleh
Baba says,
situasi
I
fisik,
am helping you
tapi
to
pikiran
make your
kita.
soul
Jadi
blissful, powerful,
Baba
with lot
berkata,
of
anak-anak
spiritual
jadilah
energies and
bahagia.
powers.
Itu kan
Use
tergantung
them
pikiran,
so that
bukan
whatever
anak-anak
situation
jadilah
is
bahagia.
your state
Tiba-tiba
becomes
kita
right and
situasi
does not
fisiknya
affect
berubah.
your soul. So
Jadi,
that is the way.
apapun
Rather
situasi
than thinking
fisik, kita
our
bisa tidak
shortcoming and
terpengaruh oleh
weaknesses
itu,
and what
maka
has
kita akan
happened, we
bahagia.
should think
Daripada
of our
kita berpikir
powers
tentang
and
situasi buruk
spiritual power
di
is
sekitar
such
kita, lebih
that
baik
it
kita
doesn't
berpikir
require
tentang
any much from
kekuatan
outside
spiritual,
to
karena
be
kekuatan
blissful,
spiritual itu
comfortable,
tidak
and
ditemukan
peaceful
di luar,
and
tidak
happy.
tergantung
So
di
we
luar, itu
should
semua
use
tergantung
that spiritual power.
pikiran kita
All
dan
people with all
tergantung
other powers,
perenungan
whatever
kita.
they are, they
Gunakanlah
will still
itu
not be
kekuatan
happy. And a
spiritual.
person with spiritual power with nothing else can be
Misalnya ada
happy.
orang,
So
dia
that
kaya raya,
contrast
belum tentu
one
dia
should
bahagia kalau
experience
dia tidak punya
and
kekuatan
work
spiritual.
for
Tapi
spiritual
kita
happiness.
di sekitar
And
kita
then
mungkin
once you
kurang
are happy,
situasi
you
fisiknya,
don't
kita
require
bisa
anything
bahagia.
else. So all these
Karena kalau
situations
kita bahagia,
I
kita
should think
akan
they
puas.
are of someone
Tidak
else
kita
like
bergantung
an
pada
actor.
situasi di
So
luar.
as an actor,
Misalnya
this
sebagai
particular body
aktor
at this
di
particular time,
kostum
I am
ini,
in the
di
acting
peranan ini
like an
kita
old couple with a
berakting,
disabled child.
kita
This is
berperan.
only
Oke,
acting
mungkin kita
and the role,
berperan
it is all
sebagai
physical.
pasangan
And
tua
I
yang
as
punya
an
anak
actor
yang lumpuh,
am
tapi itu cuma
separate. So
peranan.
if you
Kita
think like
aktor
that,
beda
you
dengan
can be
naskah
comfortable
kita.
in any
Kita
situation.
aktor beda dengan sandiwara
Oh,
yang
Brother
kita
Bridgemohan, okay,
mainkan.
but I mean, so
Oke, Brother Bridgemohan.
I'm
Tapi
watching the bank account go down, and
misalnya
I see
masalah
that my
keuangan,
son's not being able
saldo
to take care of
saldo
himself,
banknya misalnya
and
turun
we've
dan
already
tidak bisa kita
reduced
urus
our lifestyle as much as
kehidupan
we can.
dan sudah hemat sehemat-hemat mungkin.
How
Sudah
can I
hemat
not
sehemat-hemat
worry? I mean,
mungkin.
yes, I can say, okay,
Gimana
I'm
caranya
I'm
kami
really
tidak
slow,
khawatir?
and all of this is part of just the
Oke,
drama.
saya jiwa ini bagian dari
How do I
drama.
really stay happy
Tapi
with that?
gimana
And I
saya
think
bisa
a lot of
bahagia?
us would take
Saya
the different
yakin
situations from this
pasti
way and say,
BK-BK
it's
punya
worrisome, right? I
situasi
have
yang
someone in the hospital,
seperti
I have
ini.
someone in going to lose my
Saya
house, whatever,
akan
whatever.
kehilangan rumah, saya
This
akan
is identity problem.
saya misalnya akan kehilangan rumah karena keuangan.
Well, sister, I should think of those
Maka mari
who are worse
pikirkan
than myself.
orang yang
I
punya
will be
situasi
comfortable.
lebih buruk dibandingkan kita.
Because
Karena
after all,
lagi
even if
pula,
the others seem to be comfortable today, but
walaupun ada
such
orang yang
times are
kelihatannya
coming, testing and
nyaman
trying
sekarang,
times,
bisa
when
jadi
Baba said,
besok
you will not
kehidupannya
even get
bisa
a
berubah.
glass of water easily.
Karena Baba
You
pun
will not
berkata,
get even
akan ada
some
waktunya
grains
di mana
to
Anda tidak
sustain
bisa
your
dapat
body, and
segelas
at that
air,
time you will
tidak
have to
dapat
be
satu biji
in
pun
your
untuk
intense
memenuhi
spiritual
badan ini.
state,
Maka
and
sekarang
you
kita
will
perlu
be
ada
able to
kekuatan
detach
spiritual yang
yourself
intens,
from the
sehingga
situation.
kita
Such
tidak
will
lagi
be the
terikat
situation.
dari
So when I
situasi
have to look at those
apapun.
situations, I will
Maka
feel I am quite comfortable today.
ternyata
And
sudah
when you look
bagus
at
sih
the
hari ini
deprived,
bisa
more deprived than
satu
myself,
gelas air
more
putih.
at risk of life,
Karena
and more
ada
at risk of losing
jiwa-jiwa
everything.
yang
Such
jauh lebih buruk
situations are
situasinya
already in
dibandingkan
existence
kita.
today. I
Situasi
will
itu
feel
ada hari
myself
ini.
fortunate.
Contohnya yang perang, yang kehilangan anggota
Next
tubuh
question.
lebih
It's on
buruk
spiritual
dibandingkan kita.
authority.
Ada yang seperti itu.
Innerly originally
Situasi itu
spoken
jadi bukan
on the
hanya
6th of
kita.
August 1971, Baba said, quote,
Di bulan Agustus
and actually
tahun
this is rephrased a
71,
little bit. It's
Baba
not a direct quote
berkata,
'cause it's
ini
made
kutipan
shorter. Here you have to
kutipannya,
stabilize
Anda
yourselves
harus
in
stabilkan
spiritual authority.
diri Anda
If
dalam
you are
otoritas
going to be
spiritual.
able
Jika
to
Anda
inspire others to destroy their
sampai
old
Anda
samskaras.
mampu
So if you're gonna be
membantu
able to
orang lain
inspire others to
menghancurkan
destroy their old
sanskara
samskaras,
buruk
you have to be
mereka.
able to stabilize
Jadi,
yourself in spiritual
kita
authority.
harus
You
stabil
especially
dalam
have the
otoritas
inculcation
spiritual.
of this
Khususnya kita harus
spiritual authority
menanamkan
in the
otoritas
form of
spiritual ini
power.
dalam
If
bentuk
you are
kekuatan.
lacking
Jika kita
spiritual authority,
kurang
although
otoritas
you are
spiritual,
able to give
walaupun
sustenance,
kita
you
mampu
are not
memberikan
able to help
pemeliharaan, kita
others
tidak akan
destroy
mampu bantu
their
orang
old
lain
sanskaras.
membakar
So, Brother
sanskara
Bikama,
lama mereka.
what is spiritual
Jadi,
authority?
apa itu otoritas spiritual?
Well, spiritual authority is
Otoritas
spiritual
spiritual
sovereignty.
adalah kedaulatan
Which means
spiritual,
to say,
kekuasaan spiritual.
whatever
Artinya,
I am myself,
apapun
only that I can
apapun
pass on to others or help others to become.
apapun perwujudan kita,
So if
itulah yang
I
kita
am
bisa
truly
warisi ke
accept
orang
I am
lain.
self-sovereign,
Misalnya kita
I have
berdaulat diri,
experience of
kita sendiri
overcoming
sudah
several types
mengalami
of situations.
mengatasi situasi
If
A,
I
situasi B, kita sudah
authority means
alami
experience here.
melewati
You
gunung,
know,
sudah
you have really lived and you have
melewati
got an
rintangan
experience.
ini dan
Just
punya banyak pengalaman,
there is a medical doctor
sama
who
seperti
is a
dokter
new fresher and a
yang
medical
dia
doctor
dokter
who
baru
has
dan
30
ada
years of experience.
dokter yang 30
So
tahun,
the
kan
fresher
beda.
will have more
Jadi
lot
dokter
of knowledge of
junior
medicine,
ini
but
mungkin
that
dia lebih
one has
canggih
the authority,
ilmunya.
medical authority to cure
Tetapi
others.
untuk
Therefore,
menyembuhkan
it
orang
does not
lain
mean any
itu
sort
bukan
of
hanya
authority in the
pengetahuan
sense of
yang canggih, perlu juga pengalaman.
physical authority or placement as a
Jadi
director or as a coordinator or in charge.
seperti
No,
juga
it means spiritual
otoritas
sovereignty.
spiritual
That
artinya
I am
kedaulatan
able
spiritual.
to overcome
Artinya
all
kita
those
sudah mampu
obstacles and
melewati
hurdles
rintangan-rintangan yang
and
besar-besar,
weaknesses and
sudah
situations.
mampu
And with that
menghancurkan
authority,
kelemahan-kelemahan
when
yang
I talk to
besar-besar.
others,
Dengan
they
otoritas
will
itu,
also feel
kekuasaan
that this
spiritual itu,
person
saat kita
really
bicara kepada
able to
jiwa
pass
lain,
on that
jiwa itu
powers to me,
percaya
and
dan
I
dia
will also
merasa
feel it.
kekuatan dari cerita kita atau dari pengalaman kita, dari kata-kata kita,
The way I'll be
dari
able, if I have
bantuan kita.
spiritual authority,
Jadi kalau kita punya otoritas
I
spiritual,
will be able to help
otoritas
them
spiritual
destroy
artinya
their old
bukan hanya
samskaras.
pengetahuan yang bagus, tapi
Just
sudah
as I am
mampu
able to do
mengatasi
that.
rintangan
As
besar,
I've been able to
sudah
do it,
mampu
and therefore my
menghancurkan
devices, my
kelemahan
drishti,
besar,
my sakash,
sehingga
my encouragement,
pandangan
all of
kita,
that will help
kata-kata kita itu
My
bukan
advice
hanya
always
memberitahu orang,
like
tapi
yes.
memberi mereka kekuatan.
Brother Bridgemohan, thank you so
Jadi,
much.
Brother Bridgemohan, terima kasih
Thank you.
banyak.
All our brothers and sisters.
Terima kasih,
I
Brother
feel so
dan
happy
Sister.
that
Saya
over the
sangat
years,
bahagia karena
whatever I have learned
bertahun-tahun
from
apapun yang
Baba,
sudah saya
whatever I
pelajari dari
imbibed,
Baba, apapun yang saya
whatever I
sudah
have
serapkan dari
experienced,
Baba,
I
apapun
am able to
pengalaman
share it
saya mampu
with my
berbagi itu
Brahman family
kepada keluarga
to the best of
Brahmana.
my ability, so
Jadi,
that we can
semampu
have
saya
a sort of go forward
sehingga kita
in our
bisa
own
terus
ways.
maju.
Thank you.
Terima
Thank you.
kasih.
Thank everyone who came today.
Terima
We
kasih
are keeping your
kepada
questions from
Brother
the
dan
Q&A.
Sister.
Those
Kami
who went into the
simpan
chat, I cannot keep your
pertanyaan-pertanyaan
questions from the chat.
Brother dan
So,
Sister yang
we
ada
do
di
not yet have
tombol
a date for
Q&A.
September, but we'll write,
Kita belum tentukan waktu di
about
bulan
a date in
September.
September.
Nanti
So,
kita akan
lots of
umumkan.
love and good wishes to everyone.
Jadi,
Thanks
restu
to the
baik
team who's
kepada
managing
semua.
behind the scenes.
Terima kasih kepada tim yang sudah
You all are very
mengelola